you're restricted hours a bit me the adwuma. So wa untimi more hours na impo the atwa wa there because we student. So you who the but you email almost several times. Me email ni bi okra me screenshot at the can attach as PDF the ma Ghana's scholarship secretary email but don't be can say
to wasi an access school fees no ma school no betimi ayimodi me boa.
Oh, likely because registration or more the time and a year juma. So why na time the chama a bit to me, but almost say you register my block from registration. And also a student, you are on visa. It is a 2 years in a so. Now say why 2 years in a so why when we school no. Who the way? Oh, and not the problem no.
Osha mo ye dodo be say, wo do ani bua. Omo ate omo ka omo so go through same problem.
Oma me ni momo am ne on buy the A6 but every year is a problem we no. It keep on going. E bi mu kra wi school a omo de ka fees no we but Sompa because all the ka fees no. Untimi nya o certificate ne oma bebre. Yeah. The minimum don't be A6 and the minimum personally. You find out how your new school ne kasa say omo payment plan na ya if school say school fees due overdue like a term so I also make it full payment as ana o bibia o ma allow.
So how are you fending for yourselves? Adwuma 2 hours 3 hours na muju chana na mo de to bibia na
ngete na say ultimate na kwantu be obe follow omumra and say as a student you have to work 20 hours you know. Now the child dan kanesa maybe ya save bi bitimi senka school ne my payment plan bi anke bitimi dey sort it out for the meantime no mama registration ma am say na I was make full payment.
Say man shey di are say juma mo suku amoko disia amoko sua nyina beba wie na just say aye hwebu ada o.
Now in your time crunch there because this year me currently say because the 1 month breaker meet me and sana me placement as September on fees in tiama we betima adwuma 12 hours because open say we just can in case the school in the tier say peer payment plan bia betima peer. Oh amana I normal be break.
What consult to family wa ha?
What you say?
What a consult to family wa ha? Can they support?
Oh, they can, but this kind is too much.
It is.
It's too much for them. It's too much for them. And who say obi o ba we tria part payment right? Na ebi oba we be adwuma to. But say ye dey na e sponsor na untria no. Ultimately, for just 1 year or 2 years, 17,200.
Yeah, that's true.
It will never happen because in your full time, you are restricted to say 20 hours a week.
All right, Richmond, we'll take it out from here. We'll try and reach out to Scholarship Secretariat near Busa and Peninforno. So say DNT and Ebasa. Now, every before Kotoa Bay na the Abasha CPM. Abrante be say constituency chairman ministers anyone more almost senkrofo kutupa search nchina omo for margin nkoto aba no wono odi kan bodua wodi odwan akonsio eno akobodua say obi biara obeba so obe influence obi say Sandy Pano, one more makwan. Now, I'm going to send out Jimmy and San Racotuabano. One more budia. Now, I branch any diabono. Okay, Kwamna Kwaba now to say. Bibi Aboko, Yaw. Bibi Aboko, Yado Badi, I see. na Frema Parena as a national executive at the Abetu Jasaba no Betubi. Chief of staff no na abanchi no ahyew dendenden. Ebi so on qualified den o ma be clear almost what to be ye. Nyame adma 27th. MB4 kwakot to aba. No ma yinum. Na enum no ehun nsem na epiepie ba no. Ena obi billboard yakobu no another private 9 ene nsensam ahodo a etwa guo ni nyina.
Saturday
26th. Memre there be. Got 27th there. Da ponda kese. Me invite mu nyina. Me sofo pani nya 50 years.
Yeah.
Na yes I an induction. Enti yaw. Kwabra mu nyina me invite mu. Yeah.
Prophet Manu.
Sepebo krum ya. Sunday wa ma metwa one tracks. We enye by invitation, we by order. I'll bully anybody who doesn't come. Okay, yeah, sir. I'm up for the info analytic force so the almost about to ja. Almost say about me at the end. No much say about me. I'm so soon your mama the Koreania. Your mama baby tiba me. Nipa me ensa omu ehuri pa. Omu ko June July ya omu page omu no. Ba me ane Alancha Martin 36-33. Ena ayisu so Kennedy so got 27. Just how you hear mo anacha say abano omu me ensa ena edi en prepare na emom. This is about me we need dia your mama baby ti no. Correct. They'll put a caveat there. Oh, Mami too, come on, you know. Now, Obia petition as Antamura say, Osrena only a year Nanan Kansa Bodu and Kasama or Metua Bani. I mo only whom fair banim on the obetimi Abe Hebi. Again is the Mahine a year display committee of Ashanti region chairperson. Osansusu Eye, founding member of the party. So the question is, why will somebody do that petition? Now, Mami Sanfantu just said, Niger and Tokano, coup d'etat for no, almost a moment 3 years. No more Fanto Tonyama. 3 years. Nana Pim and Chibewa, the chairman of Santaman Traditional Council. Attention, His Majesty Otum for the Asante Hene, King of the Asantuma Kingdom. Petition to restrain Nanan Kansa Boadu Agrigan from voting in New Patriotic Party Superdelegates Conference election scheduled on Saturday, August 26th, and being a member of the New Patriotic Party. Yo,
I wonder.
Mami Maunche.
Me Omanhene Nanan Kansa Boadu Ebuafu. Nah.
So for Agricans, man.
For Agricans, man.
You Kumasi new.
Akota Mende.
Hey. Akwa Kumasini.
Akota Mende.
For Agricans, man.
For Agricans, man.
Where you watch me?
Mecha on.
Nam fi se mu Kumasi mo pa me si free kote.
Eh akota
mo Kumasi mo.
KNUSTC ya. O KNUSTC ya say na me no. Me wo ayi your friend say ayi me Agricans ma credit there Agri College. Me wo Agri College enna eja yeah akota anope die ayi Nanan Kansa Boadu interesting days akota elections where MPP kono
no na papa no party member to abenye
akota
he's a founding member
or a Cadbury member of MPP.
Yes, and a founding member.
Or a founding member of the party.
He is a chairperson of the disciplinary committee Ashanti region. Since when did this man named Nana Mpimenchibewa realize on Fataso or
Nana Mpimenchibewa no so ya kwento e hwan ya?
I don't know. I only know Nana Mpimenchibewa.
And on the petition akoma
Asante Mera.
Okay.
Say restricting a moment to Abanibi. Now, says our face is also holding you say or a party member. How can you restrict somebody? Multi-party democracy.
Akota
yes, see, as him for any politics.
Yes.
enti no or starting your politics na Ghana had a ben will be stopping no
akota eno na ebewi asem ne ka asem ya wo kan sisi e ena ebewi asem ne ka bebi a me start free say yakopon ya doma Saturday aba no mo kwa akoto no akota niama obi ti say chief of staff na ba also okokoto contention we na ebodua
ma yentie dua no
yentie dua no akwaji adamudie na abahunu na makoto ye wudi ekọ dabi saade nde ye twam so we ye regional chairman national chairman na nanom ntankonya a wo be fra wo dom wa mo biamfa na dwene wa na dwene ho nipa opan kwankoto aba no se wonya damudie na wo bodua to so no ye dika bomudua ansa mumu biamfa na dwene kwoto aba no afo ye ni abere ye prefri enfe delegate mutie obi ma osika se bodua na oba ye dika bodua no ye ni abere pa ye ni abere ana so mo ka delegate go kwa diska ni ye be ka to so omodua no ayiri ko no munni ni mamu premo pio fa na dwene kwakwato aba no so wo ye ohene wo ye regional chairman wo ye national chairman e mu mpanyifo incumbent mpanyifo mu MPP mu a mu ma delegate info ma dwene to aba no afo ye nkɔ no saa wa wonim a wo bɛkɔ akwa disika a ye bebo dua to wo be mu obi sika so obodua to so no me do ja nfuo yi so ye wo hene so ye regional chairman national chairman panyimfo obekɔ akwa be brabo obi so omodua to so no me di ka obodua so mumu obi amfa na adwene konkoto aba no mumu obi amfa de onim de opɛ konkoto ne yempeni papa mani ni anim na MPP ye gidi mbone me da boto ya asɛm na me ne mo amfa na adwene konkoto aba no na wonim na akɔm na damudie so omodua nto so a ye di ka bodua ye me da MPP aboto ya na ye ka ho asɛm tena nanom munso mumfa ma ye ya boy emam ya no munso emfa
ya na kasa
akota abawe ya MPP kwa akotoi one vote to say account pa unse no na me no ka asɛm bi sɛ nipa 10 na ekono ɛna nipa be 1000 ekwa akoto mo so ba ebe tima ba sɛ nipa 3 vice president Alan Chematin Kennedy Japan sa ba we ebi adodo na abekɔ mo ho na 7 na aka no obi anya ba akokora so obi anya ba akokora na me bisa sɛ omo be ne dai sɛ 7 no
director of elections ebusa
mo
but what I know is this sɛ omoto na me ensa ne nyina akɔ mo ho a ombɛsa ato foforo yi mienu aka ho
samuma
yes because me gidi say I was me di 4th I was me ka 5 no ho the constitution manya bia was here to na 2 ka ho yentu ka say 3 na
ko omo manya ne ade omo kɔ una wanya wo
yes ye num
yes say bro 5 a
ebro 5 I akoto ayi
na kotoke say nipa 3 na kɔye
nipa 3 na kɔye ye hia super
delegate ti na ke say nya chinchin say yemfa 5 nkɔ wanya bia bi ubefiri mu that is the case
na yes yemfa num na nkɔ no
debi yes say bro 5 a ene ye bɛkɔ super delegate okay say kɔye 3 ya
kɛyɛ nkɔ
mo it is wanya bi
it is say omoto me ensa ne nyina ma wo mo a
yes nipa 3 ne na
yes unya 1 kra be ka 9 no
yes unya 1 kra ba be ka 9 no
ti 3 ne nyina akɔma nipa be ensa mo aka ne nkɔtra fie
mo nkɔtra fie
okay
so eti na kota obi ti sɛ na nanka nsa buadu ani braba no
ɛna we so enye 50+1
dabi
aha yenya director of elections
mo no me chire mo
important papa
no me chire mo
director of elections me mo achia no pay
Ohe me Joso apom sese.
Me ho ye dodo. Enra me bo wa na nchi no ase obi apie wa ha nya agro. Ni nyina ne se bua me wa enu kra ansa. Abeya amukoto no 26. Yemfa ne se nipa du no. Mo kan aba ni wie ye no nipa me ensa. Ena ye to aba ni nyina ma wo mo. Mo be fa me ensa na na asem be sa to agi mienu aka ho.
Oye mame na ase na me fa kwanye so nkyere tifo. Fa chairman so se enra obo me poma onsanka me. Na adwuma na sa na che.
Ya hwe.
Fa cho ensem no enya de bia eden. New Patriotic Party your constitution no. Offer Article 13 and on the election of the presidential candidate no ho asem. Enti so ba be 13 baby a friend of 13 1 9 na ekate na mpacho hawa meka no brofuma
Kind.
say where there are more than 5 contestants for nomination as the party's presidential candidate, a special electoral college shall cast their votes by secret ballot for the first 5 contestants to be shortlisted. Yene party no lawyer for a legal and constitutional committee edin kita yene electoral commission edin kita the a woman say ye be special electoral college no say ye nya nipenum ye to the edikan na ye nya nipenum na party no besa atubiem asoso osisi ye be nya nipenum enti say ye to memenda nyampa 26 August 2023 na ye nya nipenum a yes 2nd of September 2023 ye beto asoso kozise ye be nya nipenum we na ye ideas are eba o here constitution ma enimu sa ba constitution no ema party no kwan article 18 say ye be rules and regulations any guidelines are ebeboa enhihye bi a party no epese oye inti sa hoode na committee no party di ama no ani ejina so ay guidelines say ekobase ye to aba no na nipa mienu ana nipa miensa ana beche numbers ni nyina ne dodo 956 a ye besa aye run off akosi say ye benya nipenum
na ye say moto na ye 9 kra mejo ba ko aka ho
pepe sa o hin
yo ba me musa se sia no nipa 961 no omu nyina bibia aboa no a opia betima to aba no amana yeye
o hin medasi nipa ebeko special electoral college no omdodo eye 958 yes please
initially at 961 adam yensa no dia na asie
on say budget team 956
okay
yeah the kind issue register album Emma aspirants ye mom na otwe se omnkohwem na consensus bi omo no omatumi dia break committee nye tu hana mo that consensus ya ye nyina ya gya tumu no ana ama bedu se na no ababe 956 obi on se obi wo ha or categories be bremu your national council your national executive committee your regional executive committee, your regional representation to national council, your founding members. Into be no be or a council of elder. Hello. Obi or a council of elder. Or sanso your foundation member. Into bonso wabamu mienu. Obi bonso a regional executive. Or sanso ye regional representation to national council. Obi or a former general secretary, or a minister, or a MP. They say constitution said they can say Obia one is entitled to 1 vote.
That's right.
After pruning no, and yababidu 956. Any penny for Yamia domain that say Maya Yebeko special electoral college. And she said there were 16 voting centers across the country. Region Bia on a voting center. And I say another voting center at party headquarters. Party headquarters was Salam da Akrano. Your national council members, any national executive committee members, and a better about your council of elders, your past national executives and our officers, sector ministers are almost any members of parliament, to about headquarters, external branch, a delegate are almost by 27 external branches, branch be the 3 delegates neighbor, to about our headquarters. Now special wings, youth, women, and
Nasara.
Almost 3 delegates each neighbor, almost to about our headquarters. I say offer regional voting centers now. ɛhɔ deɛ yɛn mpanyinfo a yɛfrɛ founding members mpanyinfo a wɔn sensan krataa ɛma party ne nsa ka certificate ne yɛwɔ hɔ sɛ new patriotic party no wɔn bɛto aba ɛwɔ wɔn respective regions. Regional executive committee members, regional executives, any constituency chairman, and so beto aba more regions. Now, your members of parliament, 137 of them, will be every region be into almost beto more respective regions.
Okay.
Your representation to national council, and on to San Crofona party free region one, Omoba national council meeting, almost beto aba. Ewo mo region na your regional ministers and so atna omo region na omo so omo traba into hin sa pepe na tie guidelines they by any no press conference no e in all the regional centers no baby memenda abatro no ebekoso ofa Ashanti region committee ni sisi mo
no crowd here ni makome ha ho ya bobo ni nyina kire Ghana fo
me da sinya
ya dia tudwa kire omo no a
that decision ya ba beduin e committee no ene ye presidential aspirant ene Ghana Electoral Commission ene Ghana Police Service yi nyina ene di ya bobo a ya ba bedu sampempen so yi ya de sede ne se obo ade nkoso mo ye presidential aspirants no ho ban ene o machita afo na party nhyehyɛ de egu akom ye nyina ni so pepepe na new patriotic party ye bewie ye special electoral college ni ye danso a ye kwako winning elections 2024
onyame ton super nguso mamo na emom nsuo na free we esro de mento nya sa asem beba we da say yera ni makon na moten nka no e wo senke bie asemi pa wonim Yakoba, ye tenase a momrantem ne tenase ensem no dika e wo se amam 40 money ya abo amame 2 yeti komrase mam kai ye na wa beto
me dey some the common sense approach na
e ha common sense
mo lawyer for no na
me dey some two jasa na temase
akuta mo lawyer for na ya na mo kofa asem o e sade wa anya bia wa anya
ye kwa ba ho ade ekuta mi NCA for na mpacho me de ade akire wiase mo soso ya abo amanim na mo de kire we ye NCA for digital audio broadcast ade o mo de aba
ADB FM
DAB FM
for from de aba
na on say ma yi ade na free ha no unwan ni say na charge we touch we solar and a USB sasha na digital and you Kumasi 18 radio stations are you Ghana or more test transmission no ultimate
18 radio stations
the Wakra or Wabia or take Sompa
wabra onko chipo
bia we kamu de
o de
bokem na obi frɛ kra no a
no mia
o mia utimi tie o call no wie no asɛ mia so no atie o radio asɛ nsie for mani abrɛ o na de bottle no ho now they are share
okay
sa you know vent no to say where is so USB we the shame say ya now they charge it yaw NCA for any abre and about 10 o'clock almost lunch a day we won cry
okay it is
omo we are omo de beba Aaron e oba fefe no regional boss no
selected radio stations be
18 Accra and Kumasi now where you so perfect do Ghana over there you so perfect
radio station be 200 or
300 and over 50 something no
ena 18 pe
say 18 no no musha e ho na I say ye
okay omno mu fidie papa
yes fidie pa me so
oh wakweta na wo ti wa fidie ya nka wo mu
ai wa fidie ya nka wo and there so dey
fidie ya nka wo mu
18 no no mayi na omo ba ko desktop obetimi dey see fie
okay
na we no ye teaser ye beto ye bo ase chire mu pa it is all across this year
bi na ekuta adaka bi na ekuta
no na desktop no ene kese no a te se wa wo fie na bi si ho no nti we nom no ye ketwa wo ko afuom ni ade so be se wo tie radio won kan wo hia se wo ko nya affiliate bi wo nya gym 2 ho no ma
sa manfo busasa mi wo enkra na sompa mi
so pa me nya wo he no
we ni de wo nya ya
solution aba no changes life for thought ye chego ba
ye tiawa
na about 9:30 na abudi abi betra no ma o de ase abudi abi bi se mebusa na sembi ofra tapoku a o se be up and I'm so jai. That's how I'm new case.
Be up.
Be up. But I don't want to even be up. Obo be edi come do atapoku so go out. Be up. Already been a friend, sir. Okay, be up no benya Diabi. Ono kwa na yiri tiri mu wi anu anya asem. Omo so akotwa ayi dada bi haircut.
Oyi ni tina ayi kane yedum light anase omo so yansa na yedum no.
Mupo ni tun na fue.
Ni tiri we otumi se wantua na boy ne ye ne sa. Oyi no.
My name is Kwesinyantich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport. For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you?
No, I was not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go, I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready?
I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
Sompa FM.
All right, Sompa 93.1 www.superfmonline.com. Of course, you are trans here. Bomodena, here the tip of Jumadina Baba Birametimiera Mountain. Consistent non so berbo Adea Akye na Adea Akye Abia atwa so kama pa etimiera ma wa Adea Akye Abia so na ya trans say no ye didi din koma fusen be de after no ye be ram na ya bomodena manonen komo Luther King ababetram na erameda madino abu diabina tetem so ye konse ne mu dia no say bibia ededa na kwama no amede to anim say no Olympic leon abomode a Omanhene Nigeland boboko no bibia nkomo no akwakodu no ye yade no edin papa na metetete zedne niama deda dana kwama Ernest niama apia be join tima ye 4 million munkomo no yeso no na rwani echemo ewo the Danish league ma wabomode etimi break record ano edin papa izanza ne transfer no be say 30 million euros in eramo etimi erama Nigeland be sida ni na zo Ninia Kamadin Sulemana, if you are Kwakubejuma, Erama start ran now no edimpa around bears 17 million, but only the 30 million euros. Yerozi Bibia Bedam official, Beko Aquaco any medical no passia or joining Olympic Leon Bobokono, any Omako Aquakubejumana bois, Nanema de Yepa, Etimi Edi Amanontiano Comoda, Efi Ernest Niama Apia, Nasuya Baba Tojana, Yenfiorianko, and Coco Didin Comodianra, or Waniche Malisa Hotel. Ye bomode ma vert no etimi ekoso na vert ni nyina no na ye rempe for na ye to aba eyi omoso omomra na football no omomra ma mehweso na baby ye keeper no menka ze de aka ni nyeki na baby ye keeper ye onze competition na no edempa no eye presidency no no hia 30 years okreku na just after so ko etimi ekoko ni de ni wie no opie ye okodo na ne no obomode etimi ahwe kra na after no opempa ni di nkomo akra na ne nsamo de tujwa no say no obomode etimi echechi.
We've just gone through our vetting. The vetting, obviously, is a statutory requirement and put together by the Elections Committee, which is an independent committee of the FA. And each one of us, obviously, will have to go through. I would say that it was good. There were lots of questions for my good self. But basically, it's about the statutory provisions on your forms, whether indeed you signed the forms, whether you have met the statutory requirements on the form, i.e. The member who proposed you, and the 5 required members who are needed to support your application. And then obviously you have to go through the integrity session, whether you've made your tax returns. So if you don't pay your tax, you are in trouble. And whether you've not made any false declaration whatsoever in relation to this opening. So I think that it was smooth. I'm very confident that given what I shared, I'll go through successfully.
Until New Year, come on, they prepare for any Ket ES or Kraku Natchez, the Ghana Football Association President Nanani, or personal Samba Bimne, Etono Swabanoba, Ebabede, football, and Obama to Tianuku Yepa, a Tiverity afternoon, or Bomodian Insemno, or Risade Chair said your Coco Quenen in Simfoa, Ibisa no or Wojidepa, then no Babo Modina Winya qualification, or Anansi Pono, Etimi Apua, Amana Quenya, Manasia Baba Bijana Bibia, Alta di Sweet Miramana, Mama Georgia Chrissy, or no Siopim. No person bana or baba be premier bi atwem no Boakye na yem football no or no na ni oye bidichi e de ema lawyer Kwesi Nyantichi a na mun komo no so na e de ye papa e di olonso baba be du onini na after say okoko ramo ma ye toto na no eyi nsem ba kumienu ano no obomode didi nkomo a ne nkomo no so say no obomode timi edijai.
These are men of the integrity of the personnel or the gentlemen on the committee. Very high. I personally, before going into this vetting, did a background check on them. These are people who do their job diligently. These are people who don't have any personal hidden agendas. In spite of some of the things that I've heard before going into this vetting, I'm sure it was already out there that you'll be disqualified. I mean, if you are the media, you've heard it several times. But I believe in them. The questions were normal questions, was about football. And as you are already aware, this is not the first time I've gone through vetting. This is my 5th vetting. I've done vetting when I first contested for the executive committee position. I've done vetting from 2005 all the way down. And in 2019, I went through vetting. So vetting is normal, and it was an engaging. I mean, these were questions related to football. And to me, I answer the questions to the best of my abilities.
Until New Year, command Georgia Chrissy free album of the to your everything there. Oh, Nimno Pa, and I've read to Sunimno. As I was on your shots here, creating a net, Wakwa from 2005. Wakobi breed, you know, Koeno. Now, on him said the name is here, MP for the war, Mubridgemano, MP for Munim Day. And to Gidio Mumu said no rest of the name is here, Corner City, is to Nana. Not just for them that are the Bomanema de Yepa, a Timia Bomanana. Yet is a nay or one the Ghana Football Association, Maswaya, or Paying Park in Pfizer, Bobo. Abdul Alhaji Karim Grusa, Ebomodi Ramo, from headquarters, so Etimi Edi Kratabi Kokomonina, and is also a Bomodi, Etimi Edi Yanshin Ato, and the elections are Yeres Bejepenana, Etimi Ato on the 27th September. Now, Ninche Munin Comodidimono, Yezo Pimpane Jeze Ontiasie, Zene District, no, Nanafi Regional, no, Yanto Saba Niwian Sana, Yababa Betuaba, the Ghana Football Association President in Pivoa, Ebebuamanema Dedimpa, Etimi Ramonan Command Casano. Ono aboemu de nam so mani tu anamo e de koko ram na ozo de ram no bi mu hu no mu dwane na se no obo modern nsem no etimi ram
I join the media. Say yes, actually, Ajumani district region and Sana. Who knew who started a form no so. Young district election, regional election, and Sana Yabe election. Your friend is saying, Prosper Betina say, Omobetima and Sa, Omobetima and said, no Mupad, and if you say Mamma, Somos no Mujanaja. Yeah, I said, Mebana, what to make a team, Mubano, Adea Mita no opportunity. I said what to make a head. I don't know, save we are Papa Mo show video. They said, me too, he wouldn't make a call for me. Never do a coach and me lawyer. Why, coach, if you say, watch it, no more dodgy dogs, but call Alisa. When you bill for looking at it, or Muslim, any more be a coffee, but I say, any more be a fee, meaning I are doing a media cocoa. Say, yes, I say, Ajumani.
Tia no ye command your pimpana po mo de timera to your tiri o kan nche mo de eba na jeze din se ni ujaya obesha se fu na se na de aba bi ramoso oye zakra ya ran kofu e ha dwen kakra na de di ne ekwa akoto aba eni ze sha se fi form na ye de aba so na akwa gwezi we de ye kokoto so wi aba be nti oni de onyi ntuma no kan mi na nra wa bom mo de krata na ko akwakura na after no san ni nkomo akra etimi ye refa na no de ya ye team si ya ekwa ko jomo na so Africa abo ejuma niska the Ghana Football Association pimpa 30 years okrekubo mo de mo no Jesus kano o he se ne mesi kwa ni nchebu no se no bo mo de timi de mai.
They say idea the catch me who say obi ana those catch mediama any dreams any ma teams no me say GFA aboa wo fa being so ko Africa 30,000 any be 20,000 na me paucha enam catch we dreams nti mediama but Champions League wo mu ko confederation even the press money in Ghana hakura enye pepe why say obi check mediama ni dreams no is that right? Muchero kura yenisa. Ye tina se ma binu fa football ye wo personal wo mu fie ejapade.
Tialu ya command your pimpana po mo de timi aka ni na boa mane madadi per moment ni Alisa Hotel Vertino Erbesan atwa so na boa na hihye na daye pa etimi edi amona mun komo no na orwa ni chema na jeze retired soldier or a lawyer and maybe twem no oba bebu adwuma etimi edi ewura mu my Ghana na yen sports minister no and afa ba na sports administration house ampa pimpani jana so obo adwuma pa major amakaya matifio edidi din komo era fa 30 years okrakun na ze Pani buy ni juma pana obono odi unkomo se na odi tuja.
There is a fresh there's a wind of change. I see a lot of transparency under his watch, and I see good intentions which can be translated into reforms, good reforms, and I think he's going in that direction, and I think he should be given the chance to develop the things that he has started. The emphasis on youth football, coach football, female football. These are very encouraging signs that I see in Kurt.
Eltia no ye command no pimpana po mo de atu ya jezampa ogirizi ni njuma pana obono ho be yan so to aso rebo amane makwe pezanzo be no wa mane mamu ada ofan wo hwe ye football no seri si kwa enam kwan papa so pa de no en command no pimpana bo modern etimi edi atuja na ye mfio ne mra e ma meri nkoma akra club issues kakra na ye resere nema isi eti ora mo mediama o maso ye mo aconfirm zene o mu players no makoma konkon di ramudu e kwa kura mo mota na mo kono eni team from Sirens FC and omoni omoko netimi akwakwa ejuma enchi mo de be ne chese emu miensa kwakwa kobolo miensa no kwesido nsu Frank Boateng and afi Joshua Ajiman crown ne de no ye chese after omo game a omoni Remo Stars be bo Nigeria no and obi fina kitemi anaso bebu na kitemi fi akwakwa ramo mota no akwakwa to aso other players no resere nema esietia Akadu Mohamed Afis ye wo Charles Ajiman Bismarck Kasai Daniel Opoku ene o Moro Mukta and a Prosper Owusu Boakye enti omo na ekwa akwakoram na omo ahwe na omo yejuma no na aboa na ma da ye pa etimiera mo account folk nra oro ni chemo pobima na e bomode ma pre-season no the 18 no etimier to aso na phobia de ohwe omo training na tumu zampa ejuma omo ye ne ne omo de ram no this season no we nye 8 position ne 9 position ne 10 position ho asem emze we de e was the league na nkasa no e na omo je na omo ko ekokobo ejuma na eboa ma bibia e da ye kama so no etimi edi emo mo ramo mu nuanom krobia Kumasi Asante Kotokwa omo gusu omo nso no prepare ze niam be de ye pa etimi edi amona mu nkomo no e na metete se Real Tamale United omo former midfielder your friend is Sadat Mohamed yesine ono krobia wi medical na enche ombebo mo de na deal no yetimi a confirm no official na me Sadat de o ye top midfielder akwa na ejuma na obono ano eden papa ebo amane madadi imperative mo ansisi ne call no Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum edidi nkomo etimi echichichu na ode afa korokwa bakwase ne mu kakra yete komo akra ni Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum ebo mo de retudwa
asanteman ekosa ni bi ikonye edu baby no na say ntokwane ade ne ni obi nti ahemfo ne mpanifo ne tenase na mo ye o maden say ekwan ben o betimi afaso amasa edin ni tumi no ne ehunu asanso atena na ɔmo dwen sɛ ɛdeɛ saa deɛ ɔmo yɛ dɛ ɔmo titim nti ɔmo titim no obi twa ne timi obi twa ne
Atia ba ye ba be ramo 9:30 na mo na be ramo na bo ma ne ma da diera man timi nko me ma na ba ye kwa manone na manone nkomo ato aso kama pa etimi ede amana bibia enso etimi adeda di nti no ye hwene nko na me ma to aso enti Lutaken
International Abu Dhabi
yanko
right, Brennan Sunano Pine, you be breaking it down. Now you're touching it down. Now you're knocking it down. You're jamu yon podiamao. Now you're some nothing free. World Athletics Championship. Kosu El Budapest, Hungary. Obakaya Enra made it day 2 events nearby. Now Enra day 3 events now. As we beat me a toja Enra Nimre. And no part of the 20 event. Be Enra toja. Now evening session. Elbet ma toja na Enra. And 100 meters fana. No esu etimi ebaso na nenya federal journey on Sompa TV no ene daso no na eba na wiye na se ababa of United States of America ye vene Shaka Richardson and etimi taking lead na so what gold medal no na se ode 10.65 seconds and otimi ediwe we championship recorder watimi enya enu ababa we friend Sharika Jackson also from Jamaica otosumi no onu enya 10.72 seconds and what the Enya silver no and what the Fraser Prize from Jamaica on your bronze medal or Tosmi and Sa on the 10.77 seconds and what me Edway na Enya for the Agroko Pima no me pina eba na Baba wana waji gold medal ye frenom Shaka Richardson Kasaye Fanny race no any general sadness city ye intense more the 2 years.
Good luck number 2. I really feel amazing about my performance, amazing competition, amazing atmosphere, and just knowing, just focusing in on what it is we've been practicing all season long to get, when the time comes to accomplish what we need to get accomplished.
Tell me about your technical execution in the race there just now.
Honestly, I just felt as if being in lane now, I could really just focus in on what it is that I know I needed to execute from start to finish, and just doing that. Honestly, it felt amazing. I felt like no matter what the result was, that from start to finish in that race, I executed, and I was going to be happy no matter what happened.
In terms of this success, what will it do? How will it set you up for the rest of this season and going forward into coming seasons?
Honestly, this success, it doesn't really set me up because I've already been set up. I came into this competition knowing that this is just another race with more competition, the best competition. So I had to bring my best game, and for the rest of the season, for the rest of my season, just continue to put my best foot forward.
I know Baba wa next a 100 meters final World Athletics Championship eguso toja eso e Budapest near friend Sharika Richardson and ordinance some toja so far there World Championship record we hold no na ni etimi ajaba bua pa ama no makoye edamano and watching Baba wa ono so toss me no Sharika Jackson ono the 10.72 seconds and odinya silver medal no ono so ekasa
from start to finish in your assessment?
Honestly, I think I did pretty good today. Not as good as I think coach would have want me to, but I get a silver medal. I can't complain. I came out here and I execute as best as I can, and to be standing here having another medal over 100 is just a great feeling. And as I said, I'm on the podium. I can't complain, It's just going back to the drawing board. I have the 200 is just to refocus and focus on the 200.
Let's say about a 100 meters final. What mean a medal? Says so. Only be back 200 meters. I don't know. No so many concentration. And na etimiko. And no and some about friend Sharika Jackson. As to edit to bro nya silver medal. Onya second A place. And we and somebody to Ghana Baba wa. On so nya third A place. Your friend Shirley and Fraser Prize. On from Jamaica. Shan says so kopie. A Jamaica. Omabaku sema. Wababe most decorated Jamaican athlete, a man memory now kabuma 15 medals and a watimiaje no onoso ekasai so far de watimian what you same boat credit yented or the tuya.
Because it could have been different, I could have called it a season early and not, show up at the line, but showed up around 3 rounds and I have a bronze medal, so I'm really, really grateful for that. It was one of those races that, the ladies were on fire from the season. And, big congrats to Shakari and Sharika as well. And, so
for me, it's just I'm grateful to be able to put another race together, and hopefully I think I have 2 more races. So I think the more races I will have, the better I'll be able to execute one of those good 100 meters.
And you Fraser Price, and I would say, sir, or didn't some to Jananiache for so far there, or Timothy, or Bo, Rant, I'm about one Mukoya, Jodi Kind, and the Tossman, or Bo Mabaso. Now, young Ram, air triple jump, no, young Ram, na, young Chaweno Opiama, Nessa triple what air chassa, Abrantia, na, your friend, air Grant Holloway, na, Obia, say, your friend, air Flamingo, or Bossa Flamingo, Nidia, Nessa be air quay, where 110 hurdles, no. Now so far, no so any team GC now so Bia Kama. Now ultra so far, oh yeah, a triple 110 hurdles champion. I just want to be Bia, a quay at the Emano, or also a team representative, United States of America, no me quay, as at the Emamo. Now young Chanra, emotional moment to be at me here, about a man 100 meters, a total Brenta Bakwa, your friend Noah Nels, or no any team a winning a gold medal no na brano mu presentation no what is United States of America anthem no channel what in so papa we Adea won tie ehu abra omo no presentation edman no na se ohwe anthem no etwa no we yemfili bite no kakra. No, AJC Amamo. Now, okay, African for the first time since 1993. What me enya a medal or World Athletic Championship of Botswana. Your friend Leslie Tebogo. Or also as or dedicating a silver medal na or Jano or dedicating at the Ama be now the Yenti.
Candice Mbine had held the fort for Africa right from 2016, being in all the finals. First of all, we're disappointed that he couldn't make it and join in the final. And winning silver, how much did it mean to the continent of Africa?
Yeah, from out there, if it was possible for me to move for Akanye, I would move for in that lane because he's been doing this for a long time and he did it for the African continent. So I would really move out of the lane for him to run that race, and I'll dedicate this medal to him because he's been a great brother. Every time we meet, we exchange some few ways of motivation and to get the job done.
And we are Brenta friend Leslie Tebogo was on dedicated an award no and an medal no so at the Ama South African sprint legend your friend Akani Semban Nina Sana on semi-finals no and disqualify Nina Sa on starting and 10-4 start and Onyaye and disqualify was so your brother a quite first one on the career no was suffered so pay tribute as so etimedmano and no ADC ya di amam e odwumadian so na Yemgram ewo Jamaican Abrante Bakwa your friend Jaden Hibbert ono so no overdraw from air triple jump no ni nyina se open yente ensama odi tuga.
A huge disappointment. You had to withdraw from the men's triple jump final with a hamstring injury. Tell us exactly how this came about.
I was just on the runway, planting my leg on the board, and then I felt something like it grabbed me. But I don't know how it came about. I was feeling good in in the warm up, but God's plan, still a great season. So far, world junior record, can't have some more, you know.
How disappointed are you?
Well, if God didn't want this for me, it wouldn't happen. So I'm happy. Of course, I'm a bit disappointed because, you know, could have been contending for the medal, of course. But we move on. There's a next year and years after years.
Or say a brebe bro na nim na bom dia mu ya no mo shase no nse bibi abehye en nan kokom ho na so ehwea enye ye nam so no withdraw ye from a member no air triple jump no eno e dia be ntense football obaka na no e na opiem wo a man walk up e todwa e wo New Zealand and Australia fana no etim ba so ma Spain e man chi eye o me fan England e so mo e ka ba ko mo ntmante na Spain ma ba wa no de World Cup trophy no e be piem wo fie no next one in so ka kire wo hwe sadia enura wo Madrid celebration no esia koye omo ne air fans no celebrate ye na effect papa no manyina ekoye ama ni je no etum koso na yenti omo celebration no kakra celebration no sadia esi koye enura omo touch down no na ababa wa ba ko a ye fe no Olga Carmona ono ne se go ba ko to Dwadma Spain ema omo timi age World Cup na abaka ya ye the story be brown say abra fana ne ebe sha sana ne papa efiri mu dan bonkum so ma mo na mane ema ne bo game na wie yansa na omo elbo na mane na enu akire nura celebration course no ono so ekasa di nsem bi atudwa yente do di tudwa.
Bueno, buenas noches a todos. Pero también tiene una parte que es complicada para mí.
No idea no na my actual brand say open bus stop open bar top bus no na say enam krom na say bibia so ekoye at emom no eno mo ejomania na pia ma bakaya brand traffic presentation course no Spanish Football Federation omo president ye friend Luis Rubiales ono no ekokisi ababa wa ba ko friend agent Hermoso na eno na din sampia batu dwanra opa cho de na so pressure aba opanyin so wanhwa na dwuma kra no ebetimi abono eno ede bed emam nyewram nyemfa nemu ahonsam kakra mamo nemu wa join etima omuso maka Saudi Arabia amiadu nsem bebraba beto anem na Ahilal Bobo Kwenenura one ne girlfriend wa pemfo eno eneso mutisi Riyadh ekronom ene senema ene ababo na eto amabia so ekama na se bruna no no na se bia ekoye timo mo eno ede bana tironri ya de twanu so pem France on person under 21 no omudi adwuma no na ampa official on the appointment no amateur Henry kwesi 2025 eso me head coach Emma France under 21 national team no national so omuso be prepare team for Olympic Games ebetodwa 2024 and Euro under 21 tournament ebetodwa eso 2025 eno ediaba ye de Emma mo na yenwram Premier League no eno Monday Night Football ba ko etimi todwa na opiem o Selhurst Park ho na Crystal Palace etina fema Arsenal ebe so mu kaba comment 20 Odegaard 53rd minute na penalty or the two attempt Arsenal na enu akiri Martin Odegaard so far enu go na wo shene penalty edma Arsenal no waba be the 27th different goal scorer eba penalty spotter say Arsenal ebo bona penalty aba be dawo Premier League no where the 27th player what to do ball at what time the Arsenal the last time or ball a league penalty no May 2019 and Martin Odegaard Bobby and Noah Bobby Eddie Atumna Brantaba Aqua would the red card ye fan Tom Yasu on so far Mikel Arteta since December 2019 Arteta be fast in a Jumano Wababe the 14th player on so Eddie red card there's a red card Marco 14 Arteta be Musaka Nina Chasa Arteta be so far what the red card do see played bia and a team Pia Premier League no and no Eddie Empire the Emamo na Crystal Palace since opanyina friend Roy Hodgson esa buy ebe fad man April no na ebe Premier League game and won lose ye e was Selhurst Park da na 6 games so no e ya dey so far no win L3 a draw 2 na nura wetim lose ni first defeat wanya home the Arsenal edman no eno the dawe the emamo na eno kopema channel say Arsenal since January 2022 say Arsenal ebo Premier League game na omunya she first goal den say Arsenal be lose Arsenal so far since January 2022 Arsenal about 36 Premier League games na omo she first goal na omo awinimu 32 adrom F4 omo elusu bi eno the dawe the mamo na eno nam so manura game no ba na yo panyeven Gary Neville eso ball Arsenal team na ba so quite defensively omo eye adwuma.
Managers love those wins. I said about City before the game tonight, the 1-0 wins, they demand the most concentration. We used to love them at United. It's great you win a 5-3, a 4-0, all those fantastic wins. But to win 1-0 means that your defenders are really happy, your team's really happy, your coaches are happy, your goalkeeping coach is happy. Everybody feels like they've contributed towards the game because it needs, real concentration. At the end, I thought his defenders...
eno ensama Garina Vodi to just say eba eno Arsenal performance na mani jabia de obepe eso eno no na Abrante di can rise 100 million no onya man of the match adumani de oboni ye edma Arsenal wo enfin form man of the match award no ono eno mutimi ede ema no ebo 9:30 na be de aka nyina no ba be to aso ede amama bra Premier League table no say baby Arsenal da and baby Chelsea da so try Arsenal 2 games or 6 points abibia ekwe Brighton dikai City Tottenham na Arsenal at the 3rd position and no edge the source of crown no Bologna at mama AC Milan so eshen ekamienu a went me ante abra AC Milan kwa way na Brant Olivier Giroud at watena dikai and Brant even Christian Pulisic at the back counts first a United States of American player ni debut game e was Serie A no wetimi asheko eno ye de tianyina so na yemfa small de bobo anu na no pay no yemfa ensia ebo 9:30 the full time no ba de aka nyina ne be sign e de abedam
anokwa winni mawariye enuntina metoso na masori no
me do me da se na we de asa wo hoahoa me dudu ana wani da bibi so
say Yas kitchen towel and Yas washing powder me yes me pa bi asoma hohoi ana what 20 do so po abego yo oh say Yas sanitary pad extra long and the panty line nyina so ka ho bio eni abusumi ya ye de
Yas product de unya no wa yusu wo Yas toilet tissue Yas herbal toothpaste and then a brush esiesie ankasa Yas liquid soap any akade edisiesie fie nyina osa wo Yas baby wipes eye moto na ehwam na odisiesie akwada no ho a enya no rashes bia
oh Yas product dear amani gia befi ankasa
Yas product dear eye Leicester Ghana Limited for ne dia bedwaso etufon for money nkyere dum omo be otumfo statue na wo kejetia runabout no e na hinema kokoben omo wo boase kwan no so from 0501 390 338 and 0322 034 222 and 0244 595 575 Yas product
amani dia befi
Tua ebeiso onipa yinim na wia no yenso akane anhwene nim anadwo okay emerima wonim amuzu herbal clinic no
woye mre won pamu a na entumi nyina so a wo kɔ hɔ ma wo hwe won na hoɔden bi a wonya no chai
ayenukuru awurabra nebo meka so begya ma ye ne meme adi amuzu herbal clinic ho adanse ani gi a wode abra hie
se mikunu ye mre a ɔkɔ hɔ bae difference bi asifio na aha ye kwa ho ntira
yati asempa early ejaculation, severe waist pains, prostate disorders, low sperm count, STDs, stroke, or some simple cry.
Emma, yensu ye ko konya yaresa wo.
Ani se eye emma ni meme nyina ayarhwe bia wo.
Typhoid, stomach ulcer, cocoa, arthritis, ye namu ntine etwetwe, sciatica, ene nyarewa nkai.
Ultra modern lab and ultrasound scan. Ya wodi yenhwehwemu ansa na wa modura beji wo. Wo watafun hyaye so Amuzu Junction, Ebemoro Market.
Afei Achimota, Christian Village, opposite Puma Filling Station.
And the Sunyan Area 3, Fred
0247 776743.
Amuzu Herbal Clinic. Mauji Hio Chalo.
Order for me mawakwaba eba Abe Herbal Clinic. Ope ayaresa emprempren nipa dodo na do nani akyere mu ho na wonya wayaresa na one more etiapa na eye Abe Herbal Clinic. Yade ahodo a Abe Herbal Clinic edi hu dwuma eye sickle cell, epilepsy, etwere yade, ulcer, yemkro, typhoid, cocoa, oba ene bema opa wo, sexual weakness, oba na bema wayemre ewompem. Oberima ne bema afon anase ayaketwa, fibroid, pressure, stroke, ene STD yade ahodo na eye enisuo ene de yehunhum nyina wo de bedom Abe Herbal Clinic ya wono ebedi dwuma asa yade ama ho ato eba abefo kwan so a yefa so esa yade ahodo a ne nyina so ye bi ewo Abe Herbal Clinic wo hwehwe Abe Herbal Clinic akira kwan a ye wo tano so apatrapa new site ewo Kumasi wo betumi so afre ahomatrofo 0243 345 392
ye hunhum and will be the other two abrabos from Sibra, Abe Herbal Clinic.
Abe Herbal, Matsia Cancer.
afei na mate asie die ntia wodi di natural health clinic ho dan sia sa no
hey oyiwa wo so akọ bi wa ho
emi rejai enne me o say be ba ye pa ena me kai di natural health clinic say wo se eba no o sade a oye number 1 na me dru ha wode aduro ka me no oh eno ane no me ti hwi bio
me da nyame ase sa afa die wagye medi pa se obi so oye funu yare a wa ya enkwa me ka ne pain no onko dimpa natural health clinic o se bia ni ho a wontu minsa me ha mani say peptic ulcer gastric duodenal acid reflux ana H pylori hwehwe dimpa natural health clinic say sia wo mo na yes specialist e wo ulcer yare mu enti en wonya basobo say e ho ye the best center for the treatment of stomach ulcer and so yam to true say obo iretan ne wakoma eji hwimhwim say uti ya oya na so ntumi na ana wachi so na ya oya oh eye wo mo a wo the both local and international helps and sayare dimpa natural health clinic e wo Kumasi dichem so our old health insurance building name our Willas Towers ufri manhia na uko airport no telephone 0246 744 744 and 0245 118434 dimpa natural health clinic dimpa yesna hunya.
Okay, welcome back to the studio. 740 in the house. Yet to Jumadiano so ewa hanuma na misremwa munya suntie me se eye obi ewa 10-bedroom house our town efie no edan ne maku du na ewa 5 toilet and bath 5 toilet and bath kitchen baby enu aduane no eye 9 na efio ensio twada jidi se jama matu abula ni bi kanea so paase edum kanea da bi na onipa kro ne wa be hia paase oton fie no nka menye hye ose nko beton enu nti ebuo no wa mana ba fompa utem won kan utem owiase ba bia Brema UGC ya Sabre Junction ebe main station ho ebe kwan ne ho pɛl medu aka say kwan ne ho kra. It's a 10-bedroom house. Na number no nie 0547 469294 0547 469294 ubetimi a friend and pay ya aye crowd what phone ho twel 0547 469294 and 020 3111 535 020 3111 535 020 3111 535 utofie we able to say what to ajapade papa 294 yani teacher safu ni nkomo tiawa enra opem so to bodoma se hene teacher safu mache o
you so bro
pom to say
ayo
na oyin ka say die na see anti enra ye run na Sompa boy
yo Pauro ene aboncham ta nkromi unu bomo ye abrempon kashe pa.
That's right.
Na ya ye tabo ibise country ni akom ta anso ne bo Pauro ene aboncham na coaching sonem konso na sa Pauro ne aboncham na omutuma omudie ni se omo no mpia country ni akom kunze biano omo chitafo country ni akom chitafo ene wo ke omo nye enyam yeli omo yatuko omo asebra enti mpempi no de omo ye biano omane ni wo omo so na Pauro no ewo uko abontam no ewo uko ya lakeside onoma eho ba bi na abontam no ewo na ekamase enti omo ekuro no omo demo no yana nkofo de omo bata country ni akomo and so omo kwa de omo and you ba ya emra ni is fight edika pa obo country ni akomo no sample ayi bawro ni abontem
obo bawro abontem
na ensa sam se de sebe babia e wachi kakra kra e ho ensa se no e ho na nti ne board owurai ohini ya etu ni e de ne nia e sirika sam so sa ama godu baby ohini ankasa e de na no to so de ensem bi wo ho ndi ohini no ohini hwehwem nti mo bia ankwa sa no fa chire esa potun ko man ko nti oye sa no na je asem kese pa no ko pa ba no watun ntam o entama o be sai no kan se o de eno kure ene pepe ye ene be ye abedi enko ha ye waye ni dia nje se o watun ntam o tu ntam so dia etie skeja etia sante hene etia pantamai that no mami and say a boom back ya enga baby and get that trinity the boom back on back ya over ye bibia tia bia ya tia nimi and say san some sunya yeso sante nim kwa na betimi aka bia ma wo and na je say him kwa e kashi ya di na sam no obia esi entwe watmenta aton tam so dia ese odu akunya to ide ya itu na dia so
oh that's for anope meda wase okay abusia for me nkasa ye mu mi eda adwumade adi mi kobo obodom ase kwabena ma me nka on se eye bekwa abodom ehine obeka ya nana saforo koto ena olusu ni seat bosome kra mai nti eno na me kana abodom no wo madwini mu a na mkeka be so bodom ase hine yentu no ti mesremo a nana no ma no na apa
anu kana galam say
aha eti no badaroma bodom ase hine ti na dwaso kama wonye mfomso bia wo ni wuranim eti se ma no apa obi nkotwa nkoto social media nge kasa me say me wa hanuma na na ye dai afre me say me say da bi ente sa me mama no entia pani bia ade ni ho menka eye bekwa abodom na na saforo koto ena afija kwabre na na osai tribu ababio wo mo ena wo mo hwere wo makumya chief of adumua wo mo na wo mo hwere wo makunya nche bia na abodom no enem say eya me kwaka abodom ase me sew na etu na de asu eya abo ntem asantema resaya obeti se baro abontem eye busuako kese asante edimu pa nya asam ketwa ayete se na na baro hine na na mche anopai ejiri so ho ye pa okay enti efie no se na mekan no anakwabra de atwe nkomo petition a abrante di akoto na na di akoto opem so animu yi o kan say o tietia na nankasa boadu su fa hudi ana
se efa baabi no wontiatia na fa hudi so but bia ade bi na kire na adwene bi opese wote ase me sa na me hu no
okay
because so hwe de wo kenkan ye before say be ko break na ye san aba no clearly na nankansa boadu every right so to aba ne bi enti se bia ade bi na bia wonte ase a wo se wo kọ na mpanifo a kire wo mu dan se ubedwa to aye wura etomere bia enye bibia na wo se edwa to aye wura wo ade bi wo ho no ye wura de wo ho sa asante mawura wo se edua kese a na se wo nwura wiabo a obi a timi kwotena ase de but ade bi wo ho no nsusu a ye wo party ne mpanifo ye wo national executive committee from say neck e wo ho ya kire se bibi ne mpo sa wonte ase a ubatimi adwa to wo mo se ade we ni e kire madwen enti mommoa me na mo nkyerɛkyerɛ mu ma me se me no me susu se ade we nam ha na party no a wo down no ebe kyerɛ wo se da bi ade no wo fa ha ene besi ha se na nti ase atima ya adwuma dan se wo be dwan sesi ato aye wura e se no wo kɔ ye wura ho no ye wura emekoma wo ana ye wura meye den ma wo
Ofri Enya Sotium constituency, Greater Accra region of the Republic of Ghana. A party member, Ghana Revenue Authority, also so abeka motorway ho no ye adwuma o figure nya so to ba petition your pim so asatme because I get in my in share ni rasi
and it shouldn't be that.
Do you see say the obey petition also or political also your politics
say he obi wo ha wo de hwere to nyomo a se wo tie asem no a bia wo ka o de hwere mai ka no a ebe ye wasum dede bebre but e bia wo ka no wo say bia wo beti ase
okay
ye me pese wo ka no say wono so wo de enti a wo ye sa
say agege Omanhene okota candidate fufu bi achi anti nka ono so obepetisi asatmawura
na make ho asem but so ho ba bi asem yes and only the make ho asem
that's right
wono de enti a wo ko na nimu no ye wadwan to from nka wadwan to hase no wonim de enti a wo ye sa one me makase ya hemfo no etomere bi a eya na manyosem mu no eni kwanse ye de o mu wurawura mu bebere on se meta aka sa asem de bia se nipa no ye ka no ho asem se ye wo hene no first no se asantimamu ye kase obi ye wo hene a sa nipa re tere se ne ho hene se all lobbying skills otimi wurawura nti asa akọ de ne ho hene pa o wo free ha no waduro nti de ma ye nya wo hene wo si ho se wo ye symbol of unity ya wo bia obefira bonte baba bia no se bi kromfo kra na eba obeso me kona na ho sofo ba me kona na ho konfo ba me kona na ho enti se ko duru brebi na Ghana ha na ye won ya manwesam a ye no sade ho se sofo kra kasa na osuro sofo kra ni obi di nkomo a na wosuro woni party member di nkomo a na wosuro se ya ka ahemfo kasa board ya hye wo yam ensase no nso di mu ade nyina no ya ahemfo no dia na me meti ho se wo hene na obefa masase mu dodode ade akọ na wo se ma me nkasa de woni me ani ni yi enti ska kwan bi so no sa ahemfo no betime be wura amando no mu a ye wo kwan bi a ye betime di ama wo mo se sa kwan we de mo de no firi ha ebeduru ha eni ko asem tra ha basi ye ko ja wo mo tra se mo hene nkasa de a o mo so ye nipa
na na pemantwi ba wu ase osre opem so se ne this year an still traditional chief Nanan Cancer Board wa ye boafo no or breaching the 1992 Constitution of Political Parties Act 2000 say any say an still traditional chief then hura man yosem or then what for ma could do baby a office em ready say yep you ran stop no you was out to me no because we have now moved away from traditional to the executive and the political terrain.
Boss, what I know is say we just say Nana Agreg Somahene wa fumwa kokoto. Neko seek for interpretation.
Okay.
Very simple.
Okay.
Very
positive from you.
Yes. What do you fan ko? So we just say genuinely asem no awoka no. Me so say laptop here dem animi. Omanhene na afa. Na be gidi pass me evidence me fact e kire say Omanhene na afa dia. Me fa nkwada adwuma wura. Straight to court me dey back court see a. Na me dey akodan court say court no nkyerekire mu nkyere me. Sa nkrata we ekura me, sa de we ekura me no. E time asem na kire say Omanhene fa me laptop no. Very simple. Until the court be can no. Say court ebetimi do the next for ma kire say yewura Agreg Somahene ni kwa say wo active politics a. Then na court na declare the amount. But so who grant to yewura sesi ano na me kire say sesi ano yewura emfa ne domini na chi. Anasa yewura nton san fra Agreg Somahene say ombra man shafikasiem
no me kire
di a what say
okodo amanyo say
what's what you say quick one eduabo spirit wo ho
okay
we believe in spirit Ghana as oman no ya de bi a ye no uchemu mienu a emufa eye honhom
sunsum de
yes enti sunsum mo asem nso no ye kan de wonim se wo di fo e wo sunsum mu a obi tia wo ko de benyawo se wo di fo me fa wa ade me ye bibi me kan asem bi kura tiawo na se me bodua wo wachi a enam sa asem na wa kan tia me no metimi ye bibi de atia wo nti me so ye bibi a ebetumi atia wo nti ye mfa sunsum mu asem oni agro nti before se na Christianity kwa be ba wo man Ghana mu hase no na we believe in the spirit eno ti na ne mfa na nanom oni agro no days na ye was slave trade no na ye believe na nanom wo na nanom mu gidie pa nti morofo no ba Ghana hase no ebre slave trade no ebeba so o mo di kan fa means bia so kire ahemfo no obi wo hono mo ase me kwabana kase na bia wo be fa me afiri ha sei e de makọ wo man so a etimi de snap ebre wo hene baako na ya be gye afiri wo hene ne nsam
ya gye ne sunsu
ne ye de ne kọ so ati ase enti de nyina no ya bia na ha dwen enti se ne baby ya
ewra man yosem mo no e wo se asoso
eno na ha dwen aduabo ye different from amanyo ayeye aduabo ye different from amanyo ayeye adentina e wo se by this time no bi bodua meaning say what say yes sikaji bi be koso na yakoyi ebia the wrong candidate and ma NPP amoneko na at this time ebia na de wo ye nsuso na ebia nipa na wo giri se yi no say why so na be ka tell say nipa no say the right person
the right person
who to you no say nipa bia
mankoyi abahunu
it de wo person yi no say bia candidate ABC
the over there so no so candidate
yes and I mean says also a preferred candidate and this also candidate na bia wo person yi na wakotwa wodwan e de agu ensuo no mu no ya wo na communicate no and just nipa na wo person yi no se wo ba e de na kire say justification be na be kire say wo nipa na wa yi no wo no so
the right person
the party
ma me call ya ho na me say ya so ya
akonta ayi me am krom hine na nan kansa bodu aye boafo akonta we de eya desre na me de beto eye na nan kansa bodu aye boafo nim se ne nana na we de me kura ne nam se akonta senkebeya na nan kansa bodu should abstain from sabato we se beye pa na nan kansa bodu aye boafo
Marehine openly told everybody so Thailand kojo chemati
na Marehine
ba ono on to abani bi
yes ono on to abani bi
so Marehine yes na ahine na hine do ma hine nom nyina so omu nyina yi omu
na ba ko oba hime bo am pacho me bo oba hime bi a na ho fefe bi a last one din komo fiam se kumagu se hine fa oba hime bi na ho fefe bi a
mampon
mampon ne ho fefe bi ikokokoko
mampon
so omu nyina timi declare almost stand
okay yeah I mean too but my rank hine o kan so no Thailand but on to aba on old
okay acho okay acho na mare hina asem a wokan achepa o be 10-12 years ago asem na yakofa be
yenim se ne order so
yenim se ne order so
on to aba ni bi
on to aba ni bi
ne dia no quite material
different na do man hine dia ye de ebe we internal party politics you asem ne yake yo enya national asem o itimi de mesre nan kansa bodu aye boafo baby aba bedru no o abstaining akuta betimi ato aba in the several forms by proxy akuta betimi do vote amame say yabo ama gene koto mame dem o kono yes because of me dibre ebia me ba ho ntije na o kono to we mame
say abronya aye bi
abronya kwa de o say on si wo kra
eniema bia the constituency for bi ni ade to no so
eni on si won konkoto bi kra and akuta nan kansa boadu aye boafo ne ma me kasa asem we so ye say won say o say o ye founding member of MPP
yes
o say a disciplinary committee o say
chairman
Asante region akunta asem ba hwan ho na eko nyene ho na eko and this founding fathers are mo na mo te party no akota se eyiri tanya
muna mo
bam because
one to dia
yes one to dia man to be asamba na se me frɛ Omanhene me frɛ kwabna kase se mo mra
na yemfa adwene
a omo nyina de obuo ne ani die bema waba because wo waba no ma to be
eti se na wayi nanim iso
akota sese no wayi nanim but adana man kwa nkoto aba ne bi eti even kura mi yi manim eye campaign kansam eye bibi ma wo bi a adano kura no man kwa nkoto aba ne bi eti me de mesre se nan kansa bodo e bof ba bi a yedru no ebe ya aba no omo obi kura se be ya omo obi so still also obeto omo obi nkoto ma no akota ye chieftaincy ade no be de bia me ka edisi so se akota hwani anya bi da see you say ye bema ya hemfo aye party politics active
partisan politics
akuta omodi the only institution akayen akuta se eno so jigengran a Ghana san
Article 276 of the 1992 Constitution expressly states that a chief shall not take part in active party politics.
Yes.
Section 26 of the Political Parties Act 2000 prevents a chief from taking any form of leadership role in a political party. So then it means, and then Council Board taking a disciplinary role as chairperson, what breach of constitution?
I got disciplinary committee. Okay, Papa be a moderator of the Presbyterian Church. Marty. Bibi Marty, yes. Obeye. NPP. In your case,
the only way Dean Seno. The only former council of peacekeeping Dean Seno. Former peacekeeping moderator. Peace Council Penini FN say.
Asante.
Also the Asante.
Yes, moderator, former moderator of the Presbyterian Church.
And also the Asante. Ono the no MPP ni on the disciplinary committee.
Disciplinary committee.
Ono one yes of or yes of 1 year.
But I said disciplinary committee. Ya na ensheda actively part of party no committees or motie hu. Ya na ase eno no si the baby a
sort of an ad hoc committee.
Yes, I am penninfo bi oma bobra die you hu na yakeka oma sie ni se omo
elected posts. But the constitution did not state here that a person chief from taking any form of elective. He said leadership role in a political party.
Leadership
disciplinary committee chairperson leadership role.
Leadership to say bia me the many ko leadership wa Justin Kodia from Paul no mu take leadership role. Some position be na kutawa.
If I'm a disciplinary committee chairperson, it's not a leadership role.
David.
What do you constitute leader?
Your friend leaders of the party are who could be.
This very committee. Koko find out say papa no. Na National Council share no nka ho. No kobi.
Dabi unkobi.
Me say National Council share na your friend bibi Asante. Yes.
Akota disciplinary committee there. Normally every institution is
regional executive committee meeting.
Yes.
Find out say Asante man tell her say a bus or moye meeting uncle as an ex official member. He goes there as an ex official member. Only right to vote, but he's an ex official member.
My cases where Etonia Dane said ya hemfo ne down mo. Ewom sa hemfo ne bi do mani matwitwiri politics akeka Pennsylvania de. Akota me no me anu di ho dance here behind the scenes. Ye wo Ghana, yes ye wo ya hemfo from eminent chiefs.
That's right.
Etonia Dane dagbo asemi. Enye sa eminent chiefs ne akeka omo sie ni including Otumfo fa ni nyina eso ombe sia ye. Hwe boko de ya politician MPP akwanye ye, NDC akwanye ye. Baby adru omasa so dia bre these eminent chiefs so omunsom no munkuta akota sa himfui ebeyi omanim MPP twan NDC twan a me no mienu di ho dance say ye wo ahemfo akese bi wo mayi mu a omunkunya no soso pa but because of
omo ya lusu omo credibility
omo lusu omanim onyam omamu because wakoka politics like baby o ni sam no say do sika kono what a politician name.
Okay.
Eti akola ketu akora otimi kana nim rough. Akola ketu akora otimi kana
leadership no kwabna discipline committee chairperson.
Boss council of elders on to man pen na dan kwaku for adofo no. Ahemfo nim.
Ahemfo mpa.
Ya futu be no mo de man.
Afutuo. Anya there also catcher.
Council of State for two president for still of person ya obey. Yes. Constitution in kasa yen
say the boy American no. Minim say yen say. Na emom na futuo be no mo de man pani. And a crime back bi so no, a political line mo play no.
Oh, Council of State.
Council of State elected o.
Majority of them. 16 they elected. Appointed no doors to change elected no. And sana former
some year 25.
I appointed no also. And sana IGP former. Former Chief Justice. And now
former Chief of Defense Staff.
Me and sana so account. And sana o man peninsula you need they are getting to the neighborhood of about 40 something now. Because of the 16 but assembly nyina we ye say Yahweh so we penny constituency kura So you're council of elders penia and you're elected, but you have taken a leadership role.
But Nanan Council Board in council of elders penio or your disciplinary committee chairman.
And I'm say ufa council of elders
penio. Council of elders.
But he's a founding member, Santimanta on chair of the founding members.
Well, yes, we are founding member. You have nothing.
Yeah, wait. This my committee chairperson. Is it a leadership role?
I could any leadership role.
Okay. That be famous.
Any leadership role.
Yeah, but active point for the
Mama say yes. I take disciplinary committee. Now management go ko see how disciplinary committee chairman also call. Okopede. Okopede. We are management kwa ko see also a disciplinary committee chairman. It will come management.
You go to a certain place. Disciplinary committee chairperson is part.
But enye bebre. Enye bebre. Akotenye bebre o. We are disciplinary committee chairman ya. Oh, party no any koni yesia ne afa adwene a asem kire yeso ade ebam ho.
Thank you, gentlemen. Nice day. Me no nyaje. Active point. Yeni ko me dibe. I say wait. Wow, wow, visa send me message. Na me tie wo so 0548931931. Yara Gansa boy you see or no obey a senior member of the party before he became a chief. Your president, member of parliament, ewo isre mantem. You didn't cause you didn't coding or resigning as a member of parliament. Now sitting here MP before the I'm got to about NDCG here. Mumpeni Dini Mame, producer, get the name. Or a member of parliament. Now we're to our winning election on the ticket of the MPP. Or call elections. Or anyway, you know. Later they buy and on the say you didn't coding or resigning. Now he need no mamu koto about my NDC koji seat, you know. We have a precedent to that effect. Active point. So I was saying party and one day. But around here I want to say I don't pay one effect. The be able call there. Now we didn't know how Timu Bio Mame.
Bright or self from Pong.
Bright or self from Pong. Fina Makai. Call me producer the Bright Inti. Active, Yenin Komo.
Mekoso achia ona uti Sompa ne ona ohwe nyina Active Point Dental Clinic. Then we pese yesua tooth extraction.
So be ko tu ne se.
Be ko tu ne se.
No one can say extraction na sondodo.
Eno na na yekusua. Na se wo sin bi wo ho na ye wo ya na hu nia wonya yenwie no na wo hu ba bi a de ese wo ye ne ba bi a ese ukọ. Na me hya se ya ubetimi afre Active Point Dental Clinic e wo 0554 571 779.
What number ni bill?
0554 571 779. Ukotu sino Adea Dr. Empekura se utra ho ama osin eduru se esi etu a ya na eyawra hosem yi pa tina da bi etufu se entra ho na wa ofa hwehwe hwewanum hu se tokuru eda osimu a entry se obekọ akototo aduro bi anonom se pain no ebekọ pain no ebetimi akọ within few days ho a ebesa aba wa unim otoe no da bia no ya no eda so eba nia etia ni se tokuru beda osimu a last 2 weeks mekan bibie ni ho a ebetimi ayama tokuru no atua tokuru no ntese ye ndompa obi bobo na dompe no bu gan kura otimi koma ye kire yakika ni o mabisi animu o kire a enu mrebi no bo se dompe na toa na osa be gina go prama so sa bobo esen entisa the moment atokuru ba beda simu no agise ukoma dentist ana doctor eye ho adwuma na se obeyi sin na firi ho ana obetua tokuru no ndi se wo ho na wafa hwehwe no hu se tokuru abeda osimu a mesere wo se ententra nanunum nrobi kontem na yenhwe anidaso a wo ho ne se tokuro no nro akiri bebre a ye wonioma bebre a yetimi ye saasen na ehia se ye betu eno na ya na ye pepa efize esen boarding ewo na bosuo kwan so se de nyankopon boss no enwanwa yie pa ni akeka nioma bebre abom a eboa nipadua no etimi eno kura ma wote aduane ede ndi se eduru ba bi na ye tu a ya na ye mpekura enso ne uba ye man mu a as early obi as young as 30 years 35 years even 25 years they say 15 years bi etimi eba unhwe nanum no now you have no option than to extract the tooth. And I say, "Uni the obey bia." Just say sin utu. Mesela say ya na e ya reho sem. Why say what 25 years now sin a chassis e tutu. Oni ama ho so a. And I want pe ho pumasi bra. By say ubedru 35 years no na we lose sin more than maybe 15.
Na pacho dear na mess in it me to sa 15 years and the sin to 20 years and the sin to 2.
Aya hwe a yen hwe
ewo
yesen ehun say medi kan wo hu say wo sen ye wo ya wo koda na sen nye wo ya wo so de ye no wo ti pain wo wanum hu say bibi bokase bi kirew ana bibi ka kirew say pe ho pomasibre ana akona hwe ne yi but adaji
enchiri nsu agina
no de agina wate say obi edi bi ye inti no no so koye bi no okọ pharmacy bi ho no akoto daikulo bi paracetamol bi na wanom na easy ne kakra within few days hu say ebesai aba watira anye ya onko a ukọ hospital yibetu se no afenso yi no free wa obu a onka bi nshem eno de enye wo mfom so bi a trauma bi ana injury bi accident bi na obehia nkwanhia na ema no etuye na etu no ebi o ha ni nyina emfrim bonses kakra ehyehyɛ gam num eno nso no ukohu dentist ni etwa x-ray ni ehu se enye yi a eno nso yebetu afiri ho uyi we afiri ho a se wanum ye kuro de friend no gingivitis no nso ana se kaka eba wanum na no nso wan tutum de kan tem ankohu dentist a eno nso no yebetimi atusin no e de afiri ho hu se wo ye ntem kohu dentist a se tokro da osimu a o dentist no etwa x-ray no hu se tokro no nura akiri bebre a obetimi aye feeling e de amount ebia no kohu dentist no so obey feeling de amount the entire all can so be feeling the amount is otwa x-ray no ana or examine that tooth no when who say need so wo ho ense nwie se ense nwie de na de na yenye no obetimi aye sa feeling no bi the amount afen so option foforo wo ho ebi wo ha oye feeling ni wi a obetimi aye crown bi de ahye so amount
na de etewe ya dade ye hye yesin mu ye
ni ete ho ne ye obi a watu esino awie na oye what we call implant na odi ahye ho no dade na odi ahye we options are so usini etu a
na is a way no permanent
we permanent
for how long can it last
we no betimi onkwa na nyina no ebeti we no one of the best options are yewo as in dentistry sa implant no na ya na ne boɔ no wɔ soro kakra nti tinere bia yetufu sɛ enkoduru mra ɛsɛ sen yetu ebize unya tupa ɛsɛ usi da bia meka sɛ wunhu de sen akotena di wɔ yanum a enka won toto sen ase uyi bibia free hɔ a yefrɛ bibi the aesthetic form anaze emma wanim dua
ampa o
ɛyɛ fɛ
ɛnso etimi ma wo kasa kora asesa
etimi distort wo kasa wadwuma a wo yɛ sɛ ka usini ho a ka untimi nye if is words bebre ho a untimi emmo words bi wa uhia wo se
now they are pronounce
and na watimi dia pronounce certain words
f bi ni
s no se esoro de ne fam de na katu animu na emframa na ebeba no wanya that sound and is a unni sia say ne o ma untimi enye afenso de mdi kan no emma ho ye fe wa hwɛ sɛ obi asini nanumu a wahwe a wuhia na obɛfrɛ no da enso na ebi asa nipa no wukura wanyini sin no ɛsene hyɛ ase sɛ etu no na ɛma wanim dua no na ɛtɔkyema nti ade na wo bɛtena hɔ ama wo sin aduru tibia bi a wobɛkɔ wo dentist hɔ no ɔsi we de sɛ de asi aye de me ye ne hwe anye yie agye sɛ yetu firi hɔ ya na ɛyawrɛ ho sɛm a yɛmpɛsɛ yɛbɛti bi kura nanso eduru saa uni option bi a woyɛ feeling manu a enye yie oye RCT manua enye yie even o de crown cry hye so ama na enye yie ni nyina ne se watena ho a machine na koduru tibia bi a oye ne hwe enye mesere se sende o hwe na number no na mabobɔ no 0554 571 779 Active Point Dental Clinic yewo denyame kumasi kurodua yi mu a uduru santanse runabout do ani a kyerɛ sɛ de okɔ bekwai runabout na utra ECG for na no ɛhɔ na Active Point ana ye ne abusua FM ana ɛbɛn ho yɛwɔ akra jowulu ebi ana wote kaa mu kɔ akra yɛwɔ kaasoa nso yɛwɔ sunyane yɛwɔ boase yɛwɔ sɛhwidwina ase nti baabi ɛbɛn wɔ no wofrɛ number 0554 571 779 ɛnyɛ sin ne tuo nko a ebi a wode no atu dada wopɛ sɛ usi a yɛsi bi ɛwɔ hɔ ebi a wode no ade color color na wohwɛ no w'ani nye ho wopɛ sɛ wo brighten kakra wobɛtumi aba ma yɛahwɛw afei nso wokasa a obi atia wo na so sɛ nka kakra edi wo kasa no akyi mɛsɛ woenya yadeɛ bi a ɛyɛ koankoro a ɛyɛ sɛ wotetena na worɛ wodi awerɛhɔ na egu anim ase wobɛtumi atutu mmirika hwɛde obi ɛdeɛ ayɛ ɛno no woba a anidasoɔ ɛwɔ hɔ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ weyɛ de after no ɛɛto so a ka wobɛhu sɛ wohu koraa sɛ sin wei ɛna na ahye a ayɛ sei no kɔ
wei no mo hyehyɛ ma ne yɛ kama
yɛbɛtumi ayi saa ntuntum no nyinaa dike no nyinaa afiri hɔ ne afele kama deɛ asi yɛtu yɛbɛtu deɛ asi yɛdi sese nim deɛ ɛkɔ anim no yɛwɔ sini bi wɔ ha esi hɔ a ɔmanhene sɛ unnim nipa no pa a wontumi nka sɛ wakɔsi da agye sɛ bia na anim sɛ kwakuma anu baabi a ne mfie aduru deɛ na ne si atu ɛsɛ mahu sɛ foforɔ ahyɛ hɔ ɛmfifi biem nti megidi sɛ wakɔsi ɛno pɛ na wobɛtumi ahu sɛ wonnim nipa no a
baako no nie
woyɛ permanent ones ni bi a yɛhyɛ
mo hyɛ no
ɛno no yɛde to hɔ a wonyɛ expert hɔ a wohu difference nti adeɛ na wotena hɔ ama wo se atutu afiri w'anum a wokasa na nkwadaa di wo ho fɛw na mpanimfoɔ di wo ho fɛw ebi wɔ koraa na woyɛ sɔfo wodi dɔm anim na wo se no ahyɛseɛ ɛtutu hu sɛ wo members no te akyerɛ hɔ no nyinaa no nea woka no fɛreɛ nti ɔntumi mɛka nkyerɛ wo sɛ yɛsrɛ wo akyerɛ hɔ mɛsrɛ wo sɛ to ho anammɔn kɔhu dentist anaasɛ frɛ active point dental clinic ɛwɔ 0554 571 779 yɛyɛ adwuma ɛfiri dwoadaa kɔpem memene da anɔpa no nwɔtwe 8 ne apɔ anwummerɛ no 9 kwasiada kumase ne nkran ɛyɛ adwuma dumienu ɛyɛ 12 ne apɔ anwummerɛ no 9 nti baabi a wokɔ biara no holidays nyinaa yɛkɔ adwuma nti mfa biribiara nyi frɛ number no ɛgu screen no so no na yɛnhwɛ wo na yenyi wo hawa wo wanum nyina mfiri ho medam
right nyame nka ho
amen
wonderful
I'm here doing my pa.
Nobody has say. Also, copy more future life. Na, Adea na
But I say,
me say uko future life. Na, Adea na Adea na uka.
But oh, na Mississippi, and me twice. Yeah, you me pa, and you could future life in the car. You call it for India. No, me exercise. No, me exercise. Yeah, I'm not telling you, my baby. So me exercise, I'm not telling you, my baby. And you got to us over 5 times. I said, I may have my doom, ama, me twice in a really Mississippi, and die. None of a fair papa and say, you will be moving in Chamema. I want to meet a member.
Oh, want to wa? As a would dear Hakoni Abanti, no Monte and Canal say a jay. Whom me be a media me go, could you?
I never talk of pine.
Aye, I mean, I
almost maybe you man, I said, maybe you in here. Memai. And you know, I'm afraid I send us one to interview mine.
Obey Joe. Obey Joe.
What I say?
Listen now, Obey Joe.
Aye, what to me?
And then I say about Gina. Yow, no, Cassa.
Yeah. And until Abra Woody and old man, Pamiadi, a free honey, ya, Uti Mamma, was in the Sissy and in the Toa say channel. Yadi Adrian and Quani Adima were dear. Now, but who said that they be tried at them? And in Tintraho, Abra Woody, Sa, a dance, dear say, me, I could have okay. Say, yes, we can send me who in the back. Say what is said, yes, what is said, yeah, meaning. Now, may come for the amount of his bois. Now, what you chair Monons Ababa could di Osa a dance here.
That's right.
Now, Osa high, Osa a high, Osa a high, Osa a high. Branaya Modiani. Na no a bread ya na wudi no e be pam osa ne nyina e de afiri wo ho ade na wo twan na wama osa etete wo ejirejira wo kokko e ma ye nuane ma ne de kire se nunufu ase e ye ne bo ano ho akosi na chi baby obo brazil atumo no kire se de bia e ye ne ya de bia enu nti nye nuro no na be oba no mo na mo ye aduane na wodie ye be ma oti so aka ho enu nti entenase o na yare ya you can for the amount 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids selenium modulus inulin dietary fiber omega 3 ne de egu aduane ba kom se didi na main na empam yare emfre ho na yare ya no no bebre de eno obesa kum ade ntira e wo side effect we de a natural food supplement a natural food supplement a natural food supplement ya wie dada enunti wodi nsuo fra wudi no o me na pam yade fre ho
ya mame ne mame se wa ni komo
yo
obaba se wa mo achen o
yeah jo
na pom to say
nyame adumo
ugo pm o future life na de na asie yentiu
acha nyame adum me ko ye na osa na na ha me na afede me bo eye me ja ekosi machi mintimi nya hwe timi kwa me ko to mama Olivia o me ma me nuro
awbaha
enuane ne eyi nyina aka ho me ko 2 times afa de minti bi
nanti ya mu ko 2 times na mu nti bi ana mo jayo o se o kwa ma tu ase kra o
anything
sewa obaba sewa
hello
ukwa nko 2 times na nyayo koswa akọ na ase ntu kra wai na wonti bi o say anyway fasia ozo tibio olibram
woni sasa obi ba ho na o cancer me say oh ya anom to aso kakra na o sa dey cancer na kuro ni nyina ngu na me ka hye nyankopɔ ni menya ene pepa bi mu asema na eka omo se nurses no kura ne doctors no say breast cancer na ya no musuro nto omo se lamp bi abeda omo breast ma ya no musuro so omo be ko check up omo 67% omo kura musuro enam se adesua na omo asua kwa ani mu nti no bibia na so musuro na me ka hye nyankopɔ ni menya se sompa nyankopɔ nhira de ode sompa ba efi se awuraba bi won kran obepe so obedi adanse kura next week e ba also ote na bibi kasa che de say la ne nofo no je say na o say cancer na nya easy enti abeda na no fu mu kese na o se ade we beje me o se sa na maame so kan enti ne maame ba me ho na me de mama ne nakra o frɛ me Tuesday no o se ma o beje de sa ade ni nyina na ne o se enuane no ba ye change you diet no e da tea ne de ma ni nyina so ha ma ye green tea ne de ma o de o se ne to ase se o se u vein no so koto wapo no so repɛ na so na nkoko mu ntim na ntim na ye den na afroko to obi o se me nsa no etitiriti asa na ase achebe vein na ye den ti o green tea o ha ye de ma na ne vein ni nyina ti ye no for 1 month ni ayo exercise account ti se vein no mo anya mmerɛ ti se ya wo be de afi na etimi twupoa etimi na de ehun kura ne se ukotodwe no se gregro na se ensuo de free ma afi wo be se etwitwi se obi wo be force na etwitwi no na ehu eti hu sa na be flat se ya no anya bone cancer so eti future life nuane no wo ba ha ye change you diet ye ma uti na ye chiro de obedi fi se wo nyine no edua nyina na problem eti wo nyine ne ma bebre free ni paduanum ti future life no eboa ma de efiri ni padua san ko sha na mu eti na da bia ba ye ho a ye chiro nuane a obedi ye be ma 12 apostles ni a chiro nuane ma obeja edi efi se nuane bi wa wo di emwa e ma ni paduane ntimi nyina so ye eti wo ba ye ho a infections de da bia me ba na man ka ho asema na ha me fi se mema bebre feel so manya prostate enlargement and asa cancer and asa bebre feel sabe omo ho ayemre enye se no ho ayemre infections mo anu na ka fi se ekọ wa de na no pe na enlargement ni be me che na cancer de no ho agim obu o se me jonso anu ma ya se me ya me jonso ajunso ni ntimi ma ni na infections na se wa nkumo na obe yeso treatment ni nyanya ade bekọ enkola na wo school no me straight here for maame fo ne papa fo nkola no mema ne ma no mumbi sa o infections ni di o munya so o kidneys obu o se me sisi ya me da na me mfia me ya o kidneys ni na ese emo ne na ese no infections ebu o Ghana makasa Ghana ha no mo mfa ye ho eti be your own doctor wan kasa bisa wo ba de ekoso ni en start se ya kasa ye ko check up fi so tena fie na isa wotutu nura no ma obehu no na bibia ase eti wo di aduane na esiesie ni padua no wo di no na esiesie ni padua no o cells ni tissues na da bia na ma wa hoden no kwamo ano da bia future life no boa no mani nyine balance diet ni padua ni hia se de nkwala nom no fo a balance diet na ensuo nkwa so bo hu na a build o mu bibia na sa siesom sa na future life tie eti wu nyine no future life hia yo ma hodo entina o ma me diabetes ana so papa pressure emeku enkase enoa na eku me ma me papa yare nya japade ti future life board da che ho babra ya so full alignment wo ba be chiro nuane abedi ene de ewu ni nyina kotodwe ya oya wo sisi ebe ya exercise sabe wanya infections a ebe ma green tea ebe kumu ani nyina ti bra ya so wa woni se mo ani ti mi se woni ti yo bibia ti mo mra ya so ho se ebe bo bibia
fa number 6 kasi na eye so full line alignment ye adwuma adwoada edikose memene da kwase da nko a na ye ma your numbers na ye 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 and a number for 0242 87 80 90 0246 87 80 0242 87 90 Messi ato apeto memu ba bia enkran obo ase takwa akire su ya sunwane mampon any greater kumase frɛ yɛn na yɛn frɛ yɛn kyerɛw ba bia 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 future life yɛ aduane yankasa fa ho to so bye bye.
quality attires and outfits for you for all occasions. Now you want to feel good, then the place is Aban Exclusive Boutique. You was Santasi Runabout next to Fidelity Bank. Now was Santasi branch, Santasi Runabout branch. You any Palace Mall. Eddie anymore. Your number is 020-811-6654. 020-811-6654. Dr. Edo Wusu dear. So when ni glaucoma na doctor akachrewo. Wakwa ye when ni cry operation afi when ni suye wisibisi. Wo set glasses. I wo set cry said ankoye. You want narrow angle glaucoma, traumatic effect, pressure about when so low vision, tendency when it's so cataract. Why am myopic? Usha dia naso when you know ye mesrewa. Niyadia ni na ye kopiem. Ewo anida so wo Herbal Clinic. Diabetes na dukro was stroke, hypertension, prostate, typhoid, cocoa, infections. Ni nyina so ye share. Takrade pot Cortes, Archbishop Porter Girls, Yebempa, Quada State Park, Ubehuyen, and Tabora, Alaji Walako Junction. Your number is 0559 901234. 0559 901234. And a 059 619 8884. 059 619 8884. Nabibia Ekosukama Kama Edema. Naki Publications, the best publication center for books in Ghana, best school books publishers in Ghana. Naki Publication books, are self-explanatory. Students international osia wombre ya chire mu kama. Now books ben American wasemi. Creative arts for basic 1 to 6 and JHS 1 to 3. So when you creative art books and free Naki Publications are Obano Wecha. After our combined book of creative arts and design for basic JHS 1 and basic 1 to 6, JHS 1 to 3. After religious and moral education, RMB books for 1 to 6 basic and a JHS 1 to 3. It's a book CD. Achuma Boko, any man be Aupe Bia Tower Ghana, Santimantemwa, Sweet Mama Bookshop, Ewokeo, Coco Bookshop, Ewo, Dinash Bookshop, Asante Rejiha. Enkran Methodist Bookshop, Errand Bookshop, SIC Mall, Eben Best Point Savings and Loans, Ubenyabi, Tamale Gloria Bookshop, and Alamashegu Bookshop. Afei Peso Dini Doso Poco Bookstore na. Freya number no 0244 892 040 0244 892 040 and 020 53 20240 020 53 20240. 21st Clinic, experts in sciatica. Sorry, I say Anansia Chill9. Now, to a Siako people, Nantini, a bow poo. As will be the honorable bow blows. Hey, pay now, but feminine pain kit one. Say near my way, I make it kind of will be a wow to the to me or yas, Ajane. One entity education, count for the 21st Clinic. They are experts in sciatica. Omodim Fidia would do a bar. Natiti in Nubrane Habamani Adini modern technology. That is why the name is 21st Clinic. It's a modern touch with Abefu and Kabum. It is old school and new school combined. And until our class, Yatica no yet in the tech. Yadia would do through classic computer say yes stroke, say diabetes, say pressure, any mojabro swami, can one ceremony. Yadia would do in that time. Why malaria call you Drano? Nebi be a day. Akosu kama Adea Akye. Your laboratory this scan service ahodo ukwa be massage o nan no ne ba bia any machine treatment I de be your fidie this is so a na ye hu ba bia diagnose 15 branches and counting uba Kumasi a ehwa overseas junction Alpha Radio che hona obo hwe oboase council quarters ye ben call junction Enkran Dobe market Sunyani Kranza Tachima nyina ye ho 0540311311 0540311311 0549 311 311 0549 311 311. Kennedy digital satellite. Sir Open TV Papa. From 17 inches to 65. Open Curve TV. Open Smart Digital. 5K TV at 65. Open Curve TV. Open Smart Digital. 5K TV at sound quality BBR. Make come for Kennedy digital satellite amount. Your tabletop fridges are here 90 liters to 500 liters. Chest freezers 100 to 900 liters. Air conditioners 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 horsepower. Your powerful home theaters, fufu pounding machine, both domestic and commercial, petrol and electric. Your popcorn machines, gas and electric. Your sewing machine, both industrial user, washing machine and domestic commercial. Nina be from 7 kg to 10 kg. Say about home appliances there. The place to be is Kennedy digital satellite, microwave, kettle, iron, blenders, cookers, laptops. Your dual core i3, i5, i7. Aside touch screener, would sabo papa pana wo ye ubi bia. Kokrobite Junction, Wager Old Barrier, traffic light nase pe. Ube huya one kind. Kumasi Family Plaza, Boss FM and Channel first floor. Adam House, Patasi first floor, Kennedy Junction. Your number is 0244 385128. 0244385128. And here to check Commander Bibianya Day and Koso. Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic. Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic. Say, I made that form and you can when you stroke. The pressure and number baby. A situation yadi atono. Hepatitis. A bear man or bad time fear no a warm Bearman crowd, Bearman was a jegu. Dr. Mensa se Branon Fedru cow. Ahabai. Afei wo bano won no monsa. Wa mu kra wo no monsa wo mpe. E mani bi bukeke. Oba wo bro, e dangerous. Fa o yire no ko. Dr. Mensa de dru beka no. Afei onum wi, onum cigarette, onum cocaine. Dr. Mensa de haban kano. On to me num sa ne man boni ni pio. Ye de Samen recommend herbal powder bejaso. A bien kwala adwenim bien panifo adwenim. Obu a wo ne din komo se a obu sa na say na ne refi. High retentive memory for children and adults. There was scan physiotherapy and ye home care. O frey beba, o se be fa lab, be fa kodia bibia ma. Kochi head office. Yane Guinness Depot Kumasi Yedi Hwanimu and Kraman FM Dino Medina Zongo Junction Kaswa Yane Sanye SHSD Hwanimu Kofodia Old Slaughterhouse na be we opposite secondary college Yatakra the second school no opposite old municipal hospital Sunyai na be we sashi gina so market mu a Yane Adum Co store ben pa and pay Duncan of so solar FM anymore. Go so not new lorry station ho. Na a free trial coffee fiada non soon copim no num and I remember that question so non soon copim no me sa. Phrase 0271 173351 0271 173351 and a 0245 958 768 0245 958-768. Na bibia koso kama edemau. Trinity of Art Company Limited. Yeah, they will call Canada. Near Mwakoye Canada Review Health Program. No 1 year. Our university. And I say Polytechnic be a phobe we no. Now we Jumo Canada Hospital be a ope. Yeah, the end dance. America, Europe. Diploma, bachelor, masters, and a PhD in upper so student. We a sportsman. So we have sports visa. Now Romania, there factory workers, supermarket workers, caregivers, mechanic. You be a former juma. A banker. A plumber, teacher, a warehouse, a juma na drivers, caterer, cleaner, construction work, forklift operator. Munira. Wodo passport ne ba no be say ne do ko Romania. Say say Romania so can Schengen ho. Na opese o relocate Kotnama no ne so Canada, UK, UK US so ye want to say ma yewa Adwa to Masalachi Dan Kumasi Abripo Junction ho Saso na Kaswa New Market kwan wa Fidelity Bank Dino first floor your number is 0205 572076 0205 572076 and a 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Stomach ulcer last stop. Oh, you say you was second Wallace Towers, dino, second floor, Wallace Towers, ditchem so, menshia kwano so di commenciano. Can he mention health insurance dining one year war? Doctor say, Oko hospital, yes, when a peptic ulcer, gastric, duodenal, GERD, acid reflux, H. pylori, indeed the dead and sunani pew. Oda, we am to me too. Ayo ya, Oboa no, show. Udi dia ne boba. What's it me or ya uti jow? When it's brew as a bushy, and ya umoja so not you. Oda wonder. Count for an chair. Dimpa Natural Health Clinic, Dr. Chen. Sasim to tell body. Ye there be drono, a ye local and foreign, ye be carbon. Ye in Fidiasis, so swatch fin will detox your system. After ye drone the car now, done, I was no. We yama 82 in your jai 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 0245 118 434. Let's start Ghana Limited. Washing powder the N1 years. And one is see a near Mao. Sao Koto Bibiana, Eco Sene, near man, Eco Pow near many, Eco Tuboma, Ukrubu before, Ubua auto set nice one or Banesina, a tuabum. Why we are 1 week on Gasa house or per life for Pa Misrel. Manin Towato Yaz was in Pada Kufi Commando, fencing Colania man, blue, green, white, and you will say your toothpaste, a yin kind few numa down to me the deep, a whitening hair bar. Of his sanitary parts, no, a man in Yasi O say ye, dear. The moja tuno kesia bro bunisa, your friend heavy flow, they are light, they are normal, ninja be your home mouth. Your panty liners are all kubunsa bit messages went down pansima emaunya infections are hold on. The mofrado baby diapers ne de asabe jaso stronko yas baby diapers papa b and manapi rice wives no so man kolano ton ya moton toothbrushes no Duke, Duchess, Princess, Monarch afei openia edum otum for start no nchen ho ne ben. Your number is 0501 390 0501 390 337 and 0501 390 338. Abe, Mami Abe, me say, yes, abofra no sickle cell and until I for how near money, untumi nkwa adwuma na wo yare e kina ko school a ono nkwa ni cardigan ni pillows ayi pullover channel wache obi a wo boxing mesrew ma abofra no nkwa titie ni mabra Mami Abe wo ho akofra no enne wo boy wani yesi bia nani so abiri watwa hwe etwere na epese ya abofra no ka ho fa ne ko Mami Abe ho na yentu ase ma be ma eniema ehye ho ball ehye wasenya agro me ka se wo ya nyatwo anase twa be hye wa Mami Abe be ma onro ama anane ni nyina kama oba obu nsa na wo kam anya dysmenorrhea ka ho ko Mami Abe ho so akote yareboni gonorrhea ene syphilis num ne ade hepatitis na ayewo wenum nyina no Mami Abe se for ni kire tanoso apatrapa new site yen twa scan na yen test na yen kan kire say apatrapa junction honum ano ben pa unya duru ha Mami Abe se obesa yade soronko ayasa no say awrade dia na nso so wama ne tumi ama ne nyansa ne nimde ewo haban mu a ode beboa wo yen number no 0506 460208 0506 460208 and 0243 345392 0243 345392 na bibia ekosu kama ede emayen yanko yanim ka
one gallon na
NDC form o
that is fine
NDC one gallon
it won't say Ghana form serious
Ghana form for NDC serious what are you talking about no form serious say
they have become full of themselves
say
just say omu hu bibia tra omu NDC for say the omu say dwene ho it is NDC for sorry
na yenko ka se yenwu yo enso obi akuye ya omo nyina no mo de tire oh yes I mean let me tell you he's saying something.
They follow the crowd to sin.
They follow themselves. Oh, all the time. What study NDC?
Maybe
for some time now.
Petrol.
Yatum. Who said?
Where lies the issue of say they are full of themselves?
Let me tell you.
Tell me.
Emra fuel a bar
123.
11, 10, 9. They were still complaining.
The
piano must have complained. And to woman, they are quite say, you bet Kama Ghana for who say,
and near masters,
and no by yet day.
Now one can be. Don't tell them on the own car who complaining.
Okay, let me tell you, 2013, na private sector for AGI for aso NDC abaimu. With regards to say no, I've come say abaino mwa private sector need. On Fox Radio, I told the AGI for say the problem ne kesi no enya abayo eye mo AGI for because you see that time my people wanted me to also join the bandwagon and it. And I'm saying no, we don't do politics like that because abayin the obey say or the broader policy no beba. Who feel say baby our ho den wo no, then you target that specific area, then you put your proposal together and go to that sector or agency that is responsible for that. Then you go and negotiate. Because you say abang equity enabling environment around right. Good. And to me say see me to me pesika. Uni me dia me pesika kwa kodo bro. Say me to me do bro na me boa me to me twa 3,000 bags a year. Me catch abang say me adwuma na me ye no fa sa secondary school edui fa mame me nko ame supply omo na se me ye sa no me fa nkrofo aduonum se me tu omo kantino me taxes na wo je no ni say mame eye area specific, industry specific. So for me it is not always about say let us come in to paint a gloomy picture. What
picture do we have? Is the picture gloomy or the picture is clear?
Let me tell you.
We have a clear picture. And I say the picture is gradually clear. Moving from gloomy to clear.
It's clear now.
It's getting clear or clear now.
It is clear. Why, bro, I make some trouble.
But I mean, for two just a Bank of Ghana for so the one anu year base. The 60.11 billion. It is only technical. And yes, it can be the honor maboka. And they did not breach any procurement with respect to Dino Musi, almost so about almost almost train the NDC force. At the first time, that's also moving the
2007, 2008. Young Crofo, Omokas, say, will be a good Bank of Ghana. On back at us or offer, Kufidi Wu. Every year go the good Bank of Ghana in other agents at Tungomo. And your one. And your one is almost anti-me. Our Moki can we say a good Bank of Ghana. Oh. We will begin to tell Ghanaians the story of NDC because
when
very soon we will start because when it has become unbecoming
of NDC. So are they not telling what is the picture and are they painting a different picture?
Been truthful because party will to me kase. Drones are buying the baba boy ayayare. Women organize a tumbe catch the war. Say a buying it trim upon say
Dr. Hannah Bisi.
Good. What the baba since a rim.
Abe hemato.
Eddie baba hemato. A buy way. And yes, I buy we see ya. And at that time, 2004, 2005. There was an attempt to be an Internal Revenue Act Amendment Act. Nasa amendment no e bie kwan amaye the National Health Insurance levy no aba be share yen revenue act mo said ye aban no betumi age say 2.5 no enkrofo we kotisi abonte ko board euro say MPP for ba be wia Ghana for sika enne se wo pe the legacy of Kufo NPP any adwuma baako a ɛde adwuma pa ma Ghana for a ɛnyɛ national health insurance and these are the people no omo to hon mo a omo etwa NPP for other pa fast forward sa communication service stars
hello relax my brother you know me as when he's talking relax
say dia wono wo ye emphasis wo ye big library what you say samre na the communication service tax CST
yeah friend a talk tax
omo na kotun din sa because no mo person omo you see omo tisi abonte say say dia kofo wujina ho awo kasa kura no na kofo ojo tax
ya abonte na mkasa ne
look at these people
but na dey why ye buy
and so ne ye gina ho omo be bo why ye ho bra ma even kura omo krofobia san kokodem ombe wi why ye sika ni nyina esan man krofo kokodem so for me who say NDC for yes I do we ja obi ti say wu say o hwa akoma timpopo na emom kura na omo ba no mu bi da na omo wa
the same kwala no so to aba
oh yep no mbedi nkomo
because
we will pay the very good
$50 million for office
Meba, to draw your attention to something Meba, the 2024 elections that we are going,
yes,
there are going to be almost about 2 million people
I know
who have never voted.
No.
And who 2016
were not part.
Were 10 years old, didn't know John Dramani Mahamad's administration.
Of course.
So when you tell them about John Mahama Asif Sebia, what they know and have come to understand is Ekufuado.
I know.
How are you going to tell them about John Mahama's administration?
It is not about John Mahama's administration.
It's about what?
He's gone. But sir, John
Mahama is also telling them like a messiah now. Very good. And you know, seeing is believing.
Good.
The who 2016. Nobody bear 20 something years. Ufa. NDC a member of 2016. 2020. One to John Mahama. Wako 8 years with you. Have you convinced him enough to vote for you again?
I am the say what can say same way. Sebi say obi so beto eboaboa.
Na the energy na bi so.
Say akoko honto bejo. Wunim I am the say okofa Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana 250 office
million
approved. You see mamika semitro. The credibility of NDC normal leaders the Bia some of your propaganda, but they will keep on exposing themselves. Share 1986-87. Part Adea sa ikua ewo NDC PNDC. Samre no bekaya. Na because of IMF retrenchment, ye nipa 357,000 edi.
That's right.
Ewo public sector ewa ha. Na nkrofo tifie omunya sika nto aduane ni me kai cocoa processing center man bi ne efre no bibi ni dino ba me kai sese wo wotema wo epani mu pa ono ne yede no koto CPC. CPC needed 10,000 cedis from the then government ne say onisika Samre na ye nipa 357,000 edino. Samre na ni nye skedi kusi National Theatre. Pepa just what I say. Samre na ni nye skedi kusi National Theatre. You see, NDC for any the value of anything. They only know the cost.
As said by J. Kufuor.
Oh yes, NDC never know the value of anything. And I'm telling you, you see, Ghana. Yena say Kufuor kofa the gateway of Africa by and na say ewiase say Africa enkabo mu no ye dwadie no ye na yakoje headquarters no ababesi ye nazo. Na unim, if you are not smart, you will not know a coin Bank of Ghana for person position or more. Gradually, Bank of Ghana is positioning itself to become a clearance center for Africa in continental free trade. What it means is that Ghana ye bedin or America had mona ye say a year close to $500 billion per annum.
a involve a nipa 1.3 billion no se opia ton no ma we need to position our bank se eho to say the US Omababaya the clearing house for global economy no. That is the position Bank of Ghana is going. And two, you see,
any edifice, no, it doesn't
because sometimes you'll be competing with South Africa, you'll be competing with Morocco, you'll be competing with Kenya,
Egypt,
you'll be competing with Egypt, and this will be a Sabi. I don't know. It is a Boakye. Banku 2 cedis 50 pesos. You will think say Sikano. I was here this Sikano. Ye coachedi. But mind you, the man told you say, and he admitted yesterday, say Emra Omobe manage Bank of Ghana. Omode Bank of Ghana called the path of profitability. No, they started a vision. Yewura Rollins a bani trim in 1990. Say your best Bank of Ghana office foforo. Indeed, 2012, 2013, 2014, NDC government led by John Dramani Mahama ana kesiela to forcing only these protests we are hypocrisy at the highest level. Almost na see who say sa Bank of Ghana that is hono and yet befitting the status of the central bank. Enti yenkosi dan no bi emamuma yewura kwame ewu ada akon kra kodi animu kopa asase so okwa akoto ama wo mo yewura kwame ewu ada akon e wo rich so okoto asase ama central bank enti sebi samre na mo dwene sempese musi central bank no nya samre na ye ko ayi no IMF no extended credit facility enya samre na NDC government almost omunisika omampani dada mama say wahwe namna amanaka dumpi onye sekentua nursing trainee allowance onye sekentua teacher trainee allowance wo kochira there for 36 months and what you aka 3 months right almost say you be manage central bank 2017 2018 2019 2020 to minya profit no ebesi ene ye nyam faso de a mayem fa bi nkonko wura edan no omo hyase no omo sia ma se ubu dan no mumienu a efa omatra na mum se omo hye dan na se 2017 no enna enedi asie enna ewo ho a enka onfa sika no enhyase nipa we woye no kwafo waka no kre entu kokko hu se within a particular frame of time or my allocation say a dana yesi no enka ho se enka ho meto aso no wo say ahochiraba entimonzi. So where lies in NDC's credibility? Say almost say afari e was here to aso.
That's the Bank of Ghana.
Good. Where lies look at Bank of Ghana. Na ibe a year ago me ko makola I was laughing. Now we wako for EU for so no more Banese Africa, Babe Africa Clearing Center. We what I say? Now where lies the credibility?
For
NDC so mbekase. Any kwa see community day schools.
Na wabatu aso.
Inti eduru baby dia ade a yahya ase no jai to hon to aso. Eduru baby a de yahya ase no to aso. So when a particular political party continuously behave like this, why do you choose to be to me
Thank you.
Me said the Americano, just a rehearsal of the Aminumi Komu 2007 2008 of our man who believe who said the NDC for BT one time premium because that time I was doing health insurance in the say you be my one part yeah branca bitria.
All right,
we are not at all
my brand Patrick Atia mami teo
well the original chairman
Dana Kwesi Nana kwesi so say.
On crowd there what that.
Hey Nana.
Eti what's me ncha.
Nana obey you.
Ncha no ka say me ncha.
Nana how many? Baby you.
Bro, me eche busafo nyina.
Obe send the messages here.
Ncha sine so anope here.
And we are no more.
Oh, man, can say one more. I don't know this for one.
A quick thing about NHIS. You see, most of the times, yeah, we all you didn't come out, you took us to a contempt. But I will take it time now reading about NHIS. The concept of NHIS started under Rollins, and I know say it's only we did piloting in some notable districts in Northern Region. These are facts and figures that you know. No. You see, so who didn't come on now? That's also very factual. Now,
history says a concept. History, somebody can have a concept.
Yeah, so, I'm coming. So who can history about NHIS? Oh,
we are dealing with time. No comment. No. Oh, I said no. Hello, go ahead.
What's that say? No, kasa about President Kufuor.
Young man.
President Kufuor
he has the floor. Go ahead.
That is not the history of NHIS.
Go ahead.
NHIS is a brainchild of President Rawlings. In fact, Papa Rawlings come from Tanzania, man, he established NHIS. I don't know. He later became your parliamentary candidate for Agona.
I have
no. Oh, please! I am the Ghana for 8 years. The picture you have created all these years.
I have
not spoken about
whether he's talking about history or not. He has the floor. No. Act. Put something down when he's ready. You can do so because Mama Kasa, Tia, move on.
NHIS, the brainchild of young NDC4. Rollins started it. My catch was Papa no didn't buy no. So we so be can say me come be bondi. Obey one people more parliamentary candidate later in the central region, one of your constituencies. This is the history of NHIS. President Kufuor came, he implemented it. Or implemented mutual health insurance. And you know it. Say, time I started here. Oh, so when you want me come out man be ja. Untimi mfa hospital or any place outside that man be ja. It took the NDC out here also pay by NHIS to come and make it a national health insurance. This is the history of health insurance. And it's all be painted picture bit say they are NDC form pay health insurance. And nothing no can free education as man capture am say. So am share am no say am na mfo no propaganda NDC for no mutual free education man. Told them that is the same NDC who came and expanded health insurance from mutual health insurance to national health insurance. This is our history. Enti san komo no dia no wadi ni sa. And come on, buy the what President Mahama Krabi Nimuno na fe no mobile no can PC. Ye nim omu nim President Mahama. But at least omu to say President Mahama all hand over na inflation 15%. Akrana or what economists or what SHS also economists first year no. The basic economists I just say chere no. Wo who economics figures, ya kase economics 50, ya kase inflation 15% ni impact. Ya kase na 42% ni impact. And this Akrana fe no ba beto aba no. You take those figures. No, Abusa don't say and this is no. I'm pandemic. So I'm 11 years, 12 years, and you're 12 better or no inflation 15%. And now buying a tissue ya almost say I'm 42%. Sir, Akrana or here. He will just supposed to these two figures. No, I'm making in mind according to the action in economics or in the SHS classroom and make a decision in 2024. Sir, Akrana or here no. Obabusa said debt to GDP, and this is for I'm also born and saying. You catch us 56%. And the more being for I must say when I'm over Ghana over 100%. Again, sir Akrana feel over top for the first time. No, we look at this comparison and make a decision. You ask himself, say, I'm not fool you're saying. Yeah, catch us 14 Ghana cedis. And then now the saying we are buying it around 65 Ghana cedis. Then again, Akrana say in the comparison, I say, hey, then this is for no more and that's all money. The same child again will ask. Say na cement near the top and your master was in years to near 11 years. That's cement you're saying. He will be told 28, 30 Ghana cedis. And then I'm almost 95 to 100 Ghana cedis. And to sound crown on Babe Turban, these are the questions they will be asking. And when they ask and the answers are provided to them, they will make a decision. Again, Bank of Ghana Komo ya Abaya, ye dia. First of all, the discussion is not about whether they need a new office or not. Say CSC office for more and I say any CSC more. I know yet the main Ghana for how be. The problem at Ghana for complaining is the cost.
250
million. So I catch them and say, Brian, community day school. President Mahama SCC ya ebisi Edujama ebisi agrikenzema ebi wo paako so meka de wo asantemantem hanko awo offenso okwa abofo a ebisi wo mikrom atwoma adobera ebisi wo sa school dan na ohun ni kakraka ene ni teachers bangaro eka ho ene nkonwa ye de agum computer lab ni bibia complete school na $1 million school dan na ohun se so no $1 million the whole school ni na project ni nya na $1 million and obi so oba basic officer ma Bank of Ghana for and also the $250 million NAC.
But have you thought about the structure and what is involved?
Brian,
the building.
But Miria, Ghana for it just a push. And the point we want to make is that you can also do the office here at that TV. You see, a bit much the community day school now. Muhammad see, and I'm 250.
Look at you.
And the Ghana for say they be office in Kwana Musi. These are the questions we are asking. And we believe that all they budgeted 81 million Ghana cedis. All the documents are here.
I jump to 250.
And then from $81 million, you know, a choir and you come about 250. Again, you can say about corruption. The whole process was so sourcing. So I can say so sourcing. Open some my contract. Omanhene Yaw watch a sidine. It's a move to sidine. Come here to a sidine. Then you decide to say. Instead me BM so bia amfa ne nkrata asemmra ne amfa ntun se ne enu so mumie nu omo record one debate machine yeah decided said when Omanhene Yaw do watch straight.
So sourcing even comes in when it is an emergency. Or at a point where I could do say send
now that COVID time almost COVID-19 but no me so sourcing so one would decide say yeah the more Omanhene ma kwan say other contractors almost bet machine for almost cost run no monte no be as you know. And I'm almost decided say enko $250 million. Yet Ghana hire risu ya. The bia muti ya. Na say na school feeding caterers. No money strike say esika kro omudi nwa aduane amankra no omuntimi no. Yet ha say no mo feedi enkra no SHS omo de buffer stock omo de aduane koma omo. Omo kwa pikete ye. Say emfie mianu ni omo supply SHS na aduane me no amankra na di abayintu a omo ka. Everything about this government is in arrears. No, I can't health defense and cry allowance.
Nursing training.
It is over 7 months, 8 months now. Nursing training for allowance. Yo. Over 7 months to 8 months now. Emma yourself. Ah, na ka do no promise na wuntu I doesn't go be able to my baby. Then you sit down one day, you wake up, obi the 250 million go see office. You are here defending it. So it is kind of and we am show. So we are Ghana ni now that's why no pa. They be office in kwai dan this way we dan no this way. E dan go for 6 to say. Anya dan this way.
Na dan is you no say dan.
No, Brian dey be kwa $250 million. And this how dan is way. So sometimes it do maybe some I wash say and say that we can say do maybe you have to be like Ghanaians and that. Are you being Ghanaian in discussing this? One kasa your own narrative now they start saying ask yourself say in discussing this Bank of Ghana office are you being Ghanaian? How can you tell me that this office is costing the taxpayer $250 million and you are defending this because we are MPP and you are here and it is your government and you have to defend it? And so baby I do know the issues we are raising and some are here can say they have a lot of answers. A lot of questions to answer. And Ghana say Ghana for nyina ka ho ni ebusa sansensem no because I menu mienu sika. Sika na everybody $100 million, $7 million. And you obi sika o. I menu mienu sika. Simple ni teku na ye to ade ada so no taxes na tete ye no we ye kwa levels and this kind ate.
So you think we are being shortchanged?
Brian, Brian, I think. Be honest to yourself. Do you think this building can cost $250 million? Let's be fair to ourselves. Sometimes let's be honest.
My issue is this: it could happen, say, yeah, they've given that 250 to build. Have you also considered a nearby core building him, security wise? Any who near me, because a building be on my a bit my 4-bedroom, but it be at the price. Baby a dining secret. You agree with me? Sir, Swami, we will see 4-bedroom. I see 4-bedroom near my gum. We will see you are John Shire so as a constituency. Assassin inquire $1 million. ansana diner babisi ho any the kind of material or use you for dino it's one way obi be ka say oh a diner was swamming no $1 million then away go there $7 million ni nyina so 4-bedroom adintra
enyo omona time I Kumasi airport first phase and before first phase new year because so cost around 25 million Ghana cedis
dollars.
Yes, it was in dollars.
Almost say
yes, it country be
said Rwanda, Kenya.
Oh,
the same amount.
So that issues we can the location, the cost. No, almost to Satam, no, almost to any. Say, it's the baby.
It's the baby.
Location, it's me, and I feel no. When they were questioning it at the time, say, oh, this is what lights keke. To me to the sense, say, see, you Kumasi hey. Not the real Kumasi Garden City. Oh, Brian. Garden City, Kumasi, and you do to your home. Now, I look print me Mahanajo. Obia Bay your runway. I institute machines. I'm a loop print me Bahasi Anajo. Service or Primso, a two quam on no bedroom canna, the assay so that by force. Don Mahama Bay Yama Fidian, I look at Missy Hana, John I say, oh, by so Banajo. I'll be before saying Kanya and I bet one, any 25 million. No, Mark of 5 will run the 5 year be less than that. And to the same analogy and the point you are making, say the location in Shire, it makes sense. When they were questioning us about the cost of our project, were they also considering those factors? That is the bottom line. Yes, again, and Ibia Bisa.
The Ecobank headquarters in Accra cost $50 million. That was built more than 10 years ago. Couldn't it also be say looking at cost materials used? A bit me I inflated price.
So when they were budgeting for $81 million, what were the things they were looking at?
Which year was that budget?
Oh, 2017.
And now we have how many years now?
I'm a document about I'll forward it to you.
We have 6 years after 80 million. And look at Ghana's economy now.
And I feel I admit to say, must say Ghana to the
no. I am asking questions.
So are they not
admitting? This is the Ecobank building, right? It cost 50 million. It's more than 10 years ago.
More than almost 2010.
2010. So we are looking at 13 years ago.
The point I want to make
$50 million.
Are they now admitting say about just 6 years ago? Are they now admitting 81 million? I know. They say you need 250 million to do. Is that what they are admitting? How they have?
Yeah, but if that is what they are telling us, then that is a fact.
Is it an admission that might destroy economy need to the extent that?
Something that could, about 50 million could have done.
And they do 250. If Omkasa, you bet you almost say, oh, I feel there. You say, you sell man.
It gives you political capital.
No, I know. Yeah, for that, it makes sense to admit that we have destroyed the economy, we have destroyed our currency, we have destroyed this. It's not about political. It's about talking the fact. We have destroyed the economy, we have destroyed everything such that. Adea Ananka 80 million bet money in 5-6 years ago. Now you need 250 million. That is why we are. I'm not. I'm not make us any. Immediately they say that you know, argue them again. Okay. So the point is, Adea any boarding, and see raising issues about it. This year raising issues about it. Yeah. We need as a Ghanaians or as citizens to question certain things. Yeah. They will come out to give their answers. When the answers are given, as citizens, we will cogitate carefully and see if it makes sense. If not. In 2025, and this is about power. Some people must be answer some certain questions in court. I am always honest. Unim says sagleme issue hereby. I have said do be a court to sagleme. It makes sense because the answers they are giving, some of us, is so that we don't understand it. Maybe there are evidential documents to prove or substantiate the things we are hearing. You can do that in court. And they said, local court was agreement because if you are giving like 200 million, except for cost 5,000, at the end of the day, we see 1,500. And Sikano about 80 to 90% of them is gone. You have to come and explain why. You deserve to explain. What I say, Ebina Ecos way, 250 million way. If you are asked, you should come and explain. And people before they say, and Chebia, not Busumi, a fee barbersoon. They say, I did Chibia Ghana for your side down. Side down, sir, next year before copper, and this buyer. You will come to court to answer those questions.
No sound die on 70.
Some people before be conti on say dey chan near market and
your days are numbered.
Na say Brian obi anim say people before. Na e be say atena Abanwem Brian. Say Abanwem to aso a it will be a threat on our democracy.
How?
Because the common thing for the pain in the system. People are quiet because NDC is there. They
have an alternative.
Yes, I'm on fire because or trust in what you know who say I'm Ababi by an inflation here 15%. And this and 42% and now
Ghanaians have that.
That is the reality. Yeah, you see the fact that people are not talking or people are not misbehaving. That don't mean they don't have conscience.
They have an alternative. They can hang on
to. For a patience for President Kufuor. Sike Gugu among passing $1 million. The idea is among passing. People are patiently waiting because Oman will say they were deceived. One, most Ghanaians have now realized that the MPP deceived them. They are wolves in sheepskin. And they have been exposed. Time has exposed them. And the Ghana for who normal way into the IN say, oh, and this is for Monkafra. Your opportunity in about a year time to correct our mistakes. And when we correct it, if not anything, and this one with the money she kurana, but then you dinner and sana and go for fire on best say, because I was the court debt to GDP 56%. President Kufuor do speech was it to take us 8 years to come back there. Utie. What best say economy na wie. Or say catch say baby or fine and then this, you know, it will take us 8 years to come back to that place. We can do it in less than 2-3 years.
Okay, Mami, thank you. Yes, sir. My brother, Mami too.
Senior, Abranti, I see Okujeto Ablakwa, Fifi Kwete, Baba Jamal of 2006-2007.
In him. Any Charlie easy.
Or say can the dear children. What said that? What they went at the animal. What said that? What preface? What the guy anymore? What to bomb?
Who's up to me? And I'm so. What fit into the shoes of Sa propaganda gang? Oh, my son. And now we're in a kamaka. All right. Say, what you natural say, Ghana for ID na NDC for no more show more. Ghana for you natural mo say. Oma bomwa shemo be mfie nsoni. Muni adefufuru bia amode ebre omo. And two, right now we twe na dwene agina Bank of Ghana for office in so. Right? Say usi dan ewe apart from Bank of Ghana na installations from beya omoduma playing their role as a central bank for the economy. No? Even data processing center crano to process the rest of Africa's economy. No? Tina me say sankrofo we niswadi hu no emu omre kakra. Honestly, I can be charitable to that. Yeah, the currency processing center ebabeka into here this governor is entrenching himself as a central bank governor for Ghana no, to make Ghana to stand at the top. When him say you're right, NS Addison, are you aware he's a product of NDC? Are you aware?
Addison.
Oh sure. He's a product of NDC.
From where?
Because they relied on him from 2011 to 2014 to advise them. So and everybody and a coach man, Papai and some of our Kenyana Mosa Mose Oba Odin Kujina court, Runuka Kujina court for what? And of course,
Ato Addison advised the NDC.
Oh, for sure.
From 2011.
Yes.
When Kobnado for
Kofi Wampa and Alasan go and check. It was part of the research team.
Professor, your mama be in the floor.
No, I mean, but he resigned to join African Development Bank.
Ah, okay.
What I say. So for me, let us be careful the way we discredit people's image, right? Me the entire name te ha na mesre no. asem we ye TB o ni yesi Jubilee House wo TB o oh what oh yes sir oh yeah afi omo yeah adwene say akwaji sika de ba bedi
Jubilee House was a grant
yes we
it was not Ghana sika
and no kromos omo ka say akwaji sika akwaji
Ghana sika
oh yes oh so me pese bi twam for nima Ghana for hu nkrofo a omo kire omo say omo na ye ajeman omo beje Ghana unim enu adam na obi di nkomo nam say
ye na fo anu sinami
sa IMF we say ko ye ho asem boni mu na ni ye mu who say the last 2 years of NDC's administration and omo call IMF similar thing yes you call IMF but fani nyina to nsani ani mo de na efe ye call NDC for call IMF no na omo say omo pani mama admitted say wa we nam na manaka dem pesika ni ho samra no ka say teacher training allowance won to mintua samra no ka say nursing training allowance won to mintua samra no na workers salary increment or ka say wono say we develop dead gold syndrome odwanfunu bibia entumi nyere hwe samra no na employment minister ebeka say emrante enko se sabo megu kwa ho enko twitwa sere no ha samra no say wo ye school a ontumi emfa wadwuma yakote asa unemployed graduate association NPP echo
samre no so na koko ni gold bo swat aba for
me pacho me ba NPP akọ IMF safi na ye kọ IMF no obi kọ wose ontumi nto adwumayefo akatuam that's right safi no na NPP eto akatuam 30% ebisi wo Ghana ha no da emra ye kọ IMF no samre na teacher training allowance na sin training allowance yugusu ayetua ya afem se ebetua samre na ne se sa free SHS ye bekoso ayemu adwuma samre na ne recruit nurses teachers military paramilitary people ahedomoko we say so for me samre mente president say waka bi ka na katua sama president beka say wa yedwamfuru ontum mente Ignatius Bafowua emeka nkyere mmerante ne maba wa se wo pa adwuma ko ne ko twitwasere fa begu kwa ho mente se employment minister aba be ka se emre aye ko IMF ye ko ne ko se sabo fa begu kwa ho ne so as a graduate okay. So for me so they me kan no
let's say what can we
a blessing in disguise and all the time I beat my chest say even in our challenging times
you're better
we are far better.
All right.
Ghanaians are aware of
so
it. They know they are not.
Sompa TV is here. But so mo who Adea is here. Or justify or why I am from ko say papa send this there. Do what they say no. Time I this ko IMF. Almost say abon for na ko IMF. Tibon cost for na ko IMF. Amamu na ko IMF. Today omo ya benfo na ewiase economics nyina omo na asua omo na nim they have the men no omo so kwa IMF the OTTV use ya na no pay ya utifie hwe ni say o kirem so ono ne IMF ni ya papa se na NDC de that is what he's doing now. He's now explaining afi the IMF no obe kirem say omo IMF omo koye no omo de ne de omo share suit omo de ne de o shekambu NDC de ne de na say bi oda so kwatere kwa. That is so what he's doing now is justifying an IMF under an MPP government. Have you seen the people we voted for? Oh, we need buy your mama. Again, I am a Ben Yako Ghana. Uti debt exchange program da. Under the NDC.
Domestic debt.
Uti bi da. Tablo foka kraka we mo amohwe no. Se wo asam mfifiri. Na do sika abo aban bosia. Aban afakoti kwan so amaska na ye basa. Ama muti Ghana ha se muhu se maamefo mo ko pension ni ade including the former chief justice. Akọ piketi esu se ni sika ode abo aban bosia aban afakoti kwa so ashiska no enkofo de trashing kofo life asay under the NDC Ghana for your IMF no mutibi ote ya ka recruitment ya ka se okọ IMF a we be essential services
nurses teachers
nurses enya part of IMF
conditions.
So NDC
and under the NDC, nurses under that same period,
we have dealt with it
police,
here. Over 4,000 and over.
I mean,
one more
from
2017,
they were recruited. We have gone through nurses and midwifery website.
The bottom line is that
we saw it about 4,000. But
the bottom line is that the point I want to make is that he sits here and paints the picture as if say time I acquire IMF for the nurse for your teacher for your police. When I make China say in the IMF condition, there's something we call essential services, which is an exception to the conditions.
That is.
The same thing is applying. So what is almost our finances because in 2022, over 6,000 nurses left the shores of this country. 6,000 nurses in Nigeria.
And now they are even more.
Me more financial institution. Now you have loan man nurses. They're all running away, and it's a 6,000 in Ghana. You have a space to accommodate another 6,000. That does not mean that you are employing.
All right. The bottom line is what?
Ghanaians are waiting for you. They
say that when you bring your opponent, they'll bring their policy.
No, Mami Kasam try me say, baby, I'm for Ghana free.
Time one.
Baby, I did Ghana mamono. Yeah, they call
time one na
you will give Ghanaians 50% inflation.
Was 2016 elections. No, yeah, near choose year 2014. Now your policies here they have trouble because they be the hot.
To cut everything short, you see, what they are expecting us to be doing now.
Policy documents.
Say, proud to 2016. Remember, you constituency be $1 million. At to say 1 village, 1 dam. At to say 1 they are expecting the NDC as honest as we are, as responsible as we are, to be now can be share with me. Oh, yeah, Ghana need be a 1 car. They say I'm one shoe. They are expecting the NDC to behave the way they were behaving.
But you won't do that.
And bringing out slogans that are unachievable, unrealistic slogans. Ghana for any other whole.
Now the question is, what is NDC bringing to on board?
Well, read our manifesto. Our manifesto will come out. The issue is that
at the end of the day, let me say thank you and allow Abu Dhabi to take over.
Ghanaians has rejected it.
On the note of Ghanaians rejecting, I say thank you. Abu Dhabi takes over. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed.
5G.